Hello everyone, Devjit here from Moisuri.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to create this kind of professional looking e-commerce website in WordPress by using only free resources. Whatever the theme and whatever the plugin I am going to use for creating this website, everything is available in free of cost. And for designing and functionality of this website, I take inspiration from world's most popular e-commerce website like Flipkart, Amazon and Walmart. Even though I'm creating this website by using only free resources, then also this website have all the important feature what a professional e-commerce website should have. In this website, you can create any kind of product like a physical product, digital product, simple product, variable product. When a customer trying to buy the product, the shipping rate and the tax rate will be automatically calculated depending on the product rate, product category and the shipping address. And customer can easily buy the product by using UPI, credit card, debit card, PayPal and cash on delivery. I will teach you how to integrate different kind of payment gateway to you in this video tutorial. I will also show you how to create a live order, and when customer place the order, the customer will get the order details. Later they use that for tracking the order, and every time they place the order, they will get the email notification. This free e-commerce website offers some premium feature, even some premium theme also don't give that features, like that live sale notification, custom single product page builder, custom shop page builder, advanced pop-up builder, wishlist feature, order tracking feature, product comparison feature, variation swatches feature, abandoned cart recovery feature, automatically generating invoice and packing slip. Just you have to click in the invoice option and this kind of professional invoice will be created. Even customer also get the invoice through the email. Similarly, you can create this kind of packing slip also. You just have to print it and paste it on the product. Also, I'll make sure the website should be very lightweight and high speed. And I'm creating this website in 2026, so I'll make sure this website should be mobile and tablet friendly. Even when you are using this website in a mobile phone, you will feel like that you are using a mobile app. And also this website is highly optimized for the SEO ranking, so you can easily score high ranking in the Google search. And in the mobile preview, you can see my menu bar is also working perfectly. Even in the mobile preview, you can see two menus, that is the main menu bar and that is the category menu bar. And if I click in this cart icon, all the product added in the cart are displaying with the rate and view cart and checkout option. And for creating this website, I am going to use Elementor page builder. So the person who doesn't have any kind of coding knowledge, they also can create this kind of professional, beautiful e-commerce website without anyone's help. My just humble request, watch this video tutorial from starting to end. So after ending this video tutorial, you can easily create your own e-commerce website by using WordPress and free resources. So now without wasting time, let me introduce with the demo website what I'm going to create in this video tutorial. So at the top here you can see my main header that contain my beautiful logo. After that is the main menu bar, and my menu bar contain home, about us, woman, man, shop, track order, my wish list, my contact, search option. This is the Ajax search option, okay? And after that is the profile icon. By hovering on that, you can get the option of dashboard and logout, and that is the cart icon. If I click on that, a mini cart window will open like that. So next, here you can see a beautiful slider. After that, here you can see all the product categories like lehenga choli, man, Punjabi, party dress, salwar, like that. If I click on sari suppose, so all the dress belongs to the sari category will display. So as you can see, all the dress belongs to the sari category are displaying here. So now again let me come back to the home page. So here you can see in this 3 row some discount option are showing, like in the women's collection you will get 70% discount, in the men's collection you will get 60% discount, like that. So after that, here you can see a product slider and the title is shop women, means all the product belong to the women category are displaying here. Again here you can see a advertisement session, like in the wedding collection you will get up to 50% off. Okay, so after that, shop man, that is also a product slider, so all the product belong to the man's category are displaying here like that. So here in this session I am displaying the coupon code, like extra 10% discount by using this coupon code, and in this tutorial I'll teach you how to create the coupon also, so don't worry about that. And here you can see all the best selling item are showing in this slider. Okay, next here you can see the trending band, so all the brand logo are displaying here, and that is also a slider as you can see here. And some important feature of the website are showing, like free shipping, easy return, secure payment, 24/7 support. And in the downside here you can see a beautiful footer, and in the downside here you can see the copyright line. Okay, and that is the footer menu, and that is the back to top icon. If I click on that, you will come back to the top of the website. So now let me open the about us page. So in the about us page, in the top here you can see some heading with the image, and here you can see the our story session. After that, some achievement are showing here, like 50k happy customer, 1000 plus trending style, like that. Next here you can see our value session, and these are all the icon box. It's really looking awesome, and that is the our team session. And at the last here you can see that is the newsletter sign up from. Okay, so now let me open the women's category. Actually that is a category page. So in the top here you can see the slider of the all categories are displaying here in the slider, and here in the downside at the left hand side here you can see all the product filter are displaying here, like filter by price, after that filter by product category, filter by product brands, filter by color, all the options are showing here like that. Okay, similarly if you click in the man category, similar kind of page will open, only the man's product are showing here as you can see. And next that is the shop page, this page also looking same exactly as you can see. So now let me come back to the order tracking page. So that is the order tracking page. By entering order ID and billing email ID you can easily track your order here. Okay, and that is the my wishlist session. So all the product whatever you added in the wishlist will be display here. And last will be contact us page. So in this contact us page, in the top here you can see all the contact option is displaying here, like customer support number, email ID, address, WhatsApp number, and that is the contact form. And in the downside here you can see the Google map. So now let me come back to the shop page. Now from here suppose I am opening this product, click on that. So that is my single product page. It's really looking awesome, and here you can see lot of extra animation effect also displaying. So at the top here you can see the background. After that here you can see the previous and next option is displaying here, and here in the left hand side here you can see the feature image, and if I click on that here you can see the zoom view of the picture. Okay, and here you can see the slider option also. So in the downside here you can see all the gallery image. Next at the right hand side here you can see the product name. It is a variable product, so the range is displaying like that. If it is a simple product then only the rate will be displayed. So after that here is the rating session, and how much product in the stock that is showing here. And here you can see the product band rating session, and here you can see the product band image and product band rating also. And here you can see some fake sale number also, like 300 sold in last 12 hours, like that. Next here you can see all the short description of the product. So after that here you can see different size option is coming because it is a variable product, and when I select a particular size, in the downside here you can see the rate also gets changed. Suppose I am choosing the medium, so for the medium size the rate is 1350, for the XL size the rate is 1400, and for double XL size you can see the rate is 1450. Again here you can see that 50 product in stock, so it's displaying like that. So after that is the quantity session. So how much quantity you want to purchase, you can increase or decrease like that. And that is the add to cart option. If I click on that, the product will be added in the cart. Let me show you how it's look like. If I click on the add to cart option. As you can see, this product already added in the cart like that. Okay, let me close this, and here you can see the buy now button. If I click on the buy now button, then what it will do, it will skip the add to cart option and it will redirect me in the checkout page directly. As you can see, it's already come to the checkout page directly. So from there you can easily fill all the information, select the payment method, and you can easily place the order. Again, let me come back to the product page. So after that, here you can see the add to wishlist option is displaying. If I click on that, that product will be added in the wishlist. Even you can get this kind of pop-up also, that your product already added in the wish list. If you want to browse the wish list, then you can click here. So as you can see, this product already added in the wish list. So you can come back to the product page. So after that, that is the add to compare option. So if I click on that, this product will be added for the compare. And for the comparison, actually you have to add two product. Let me add another product for the compare. Suppose I am adding this one. Now let me click in the browse compare. So that is my compare page. As you can see, this two product is added for the compare and my comparison page will look like that. Okay, so now again come back to the product. So after that, here you can see the description tab, and description is looking like that. After that, that is the additional information section, and that is the review section. And in the downside, here you can see the related product section. Okay, so now let me create a live order for you. Okay, so let me click in the buy now button. So my checkout page will open, and that is my checkout page. So now here you have to enter all the information for the contact. I already done. So if your shipping address and billing address is different, then you have to check that, and again you have to enter the shipping address here. And if your billing and shipping address is same, then no need to check this one. Okay, so after that, here you can see the order note, that is optional. If you want to write something instruction for the seller, then you can mention it here. In this website, actually I mention a condition that if the product rate is more than 500, then you will get the free shipping option. So this product rate is already 2,999. So as you can see, the free shipping method already applied here, and the GST rate is 12%, that is already applied here. Okay, so that is the total product rate. So in the downside, here you can see lot of payment option like UPI option, credit card option, net banking option, everything is available. And that is a dummy site and dummy order, so I'm choosing cash on delivery. Next, you have to agree with the terms and condition, and after that you have to click in the place order. Once you place the order, you will get this order confirmation page. So as you can see, thank you for shopping with us. Your account has been charged and your transaction is successful. We will be processing your order soon. Okay, and that is the order number, that is the order date, total amount, payment method, everything is displaying here, and that is the billing address, and that is the shipping address, everything is showing here. And at present you can see it's telling that your order in processing. Okay, so now let me open the admin window and let me process the order as a seller or admin. So that is my admin dashboard. So as you can see, two order is waiting. So from there, this WooCommerce status window also you can open the order. Else if you hover on the WooCommerce, here you can see the order option is there. You can click on that. So as you can see here, just before 2 minutes I get a order. So now let me process the order. So for that you have to open that. Suppose you already get the payment and everything and the order is already completed. Then from here you can choose the order as a completed. Okay, and after that you can click in the update option, and for shipping this order you have to print the shipping slip also, I mean the packing slip, and for that you have to just click on that, and your packing slip already downloaded, just open it. So as you can see, that is the packing slip. You have to print it and paste on the order box. Everything is mentioned here in the packing slip, as you can see, like the buyer address, and that is your shop address, order number, order detail, SKU, everything is mentioned here already. So now let me open the buyer window. So now let me open the dashboard in the buyer window, and let me click in this order option. So as you can see, my order already completed. The status already changed. Now it's showing completed. If the seller doesn't process the order, then the status will be in the processing. Okay, but as a admin you already complete the order, so the status showing completed. Okay, now if the buyer want to download the invoice, they have to click in this invoice option. They have to download that, and they will get this kind of proportional looking invoice. So now without wasting time, let me start to build the website. So now for creating this website, actually here I am going to use localhost. I am not going to use any real domain or hosting account. And as a localhost, I am going to use this local WP. For downloading local WP, just Google local WP, click on the first link, and here you can see the download for free option. You have to choose the platform. Suppose you are a Windows user, so you have to choose Windows. You have to enter first name, last name, and organization type. And after that, you have to enter the working email ID, and after that, you have to click in the get now. Your download will be start. So after downloading and install, you have to open local WP, and it will look like that. So after that, for adding a new site, you have to click in this plus option, create a new site, click in the continue option, and here you have to enter the site title or site name. Suppose I am giving the site name as O2. Click in the continue, and here for choosing the environment, two options is coming. One is preferred and one is custom. In custom, you can choose the PHP version, web server, and database. I am choosing preferred. And after that, you have to click in the continue option, and here you have to enter the WordPress username and password. Let me enter the user ID and password. So now let me enter the user ID and password. So after that, here you have to enter the WordPress email, I mean the admin email ID. After that, you have to click in the add site option. During this process, it will ask some permission. Just allow them, and please wait for around 30 seconds. So as you can see, it now installing the WordPress in my site, and my site is ready. Now for going to the admin panel, you have to click in the WP admin. Now you have to enter the user ID and password, and after that you have to click in the login option. So as you can see here, that is my dashboard. So first of all, I have to install the theme. For installing the theme, hover on the appearance and click in the theme option. So at present, you can check my site is looking like that. So now let me install the theme. So here you can see add theme option, and here actually I'm using a free theme named Ostify. So search Ostify here, that is the theme. Click in the install option, and after installing, you have to activate the theme also. If you get this kind of error, don't worry, just refresh the page, that will gone, and delete the remaining theme. By default, some theme will be there, just delete them. For deleting, just click on that, click in the delete option. Okay. Similarly for this one also, click in the delete, and for this one also, click in the delete. Okay. So it giving the thank you message for installing the theme. And if you want to visit the Ostify option, you can click here. So from here actually you can set up the basic parameter, like you can upload the logo, you can set the color, layout, etc. I'll do it later. So after installing the theme successfully, you have to add all the required plugins. So for installing the plugin, hover on the plugin and click in the add new option. So first of all, this is the e-commerce site. So I have to install the most important plugin, that is WooCommerce. Search for the WooCommerce. So that is the WooCommerce plugin. Click in the install now. After it successfully installed, I have to click in the activate option for activating the WooCommerce plugin. So after that, this window will open. Now let me just skip that because I will set up that later. Directly click in the go to my store. It will set up the store automatically. So now let me add another required plugin. Again, hover on the plugin and click in the add new. So now for creating the invoice slip and shipping slip, I need a plugin. Just type PDF. This is the plugin, PDF invoice and packing slip for WooCommerce. Click in the install now. So now for this buy now button also, I need one plugin. Just type buy now. There are a lot of buy now plugin is available, but I need this one, this quick buy now button for the WooCommerce and developed by the Niloy. Okay. Click in the install. Don't worry, I will activate them later. Okay. So next, for creating the website, I need the page builder, and here as a page builder, I am going to use Elementor. So just type Elementor here. So that is the Elementor page builder plugin. Click in the install now. I need this plugin also, Royal add-on for the Elementor. Click in the install now, and I need this plugin also, this unlimited elements for the Elementor. Click in the install now option. Now for creating this custom product page shop page also, I need one plugin. The plugin name is Shop Builder. So type Shop Builder. So that is the Shop Builder plugin developed by the Radius theme. Click in the install now option. I need this plugin also, this variation image gallery for the WooCommerce. Click in the install now. And for getting this kind of notification also, I need one extra plugin. Plugin name is Notification X. Just type Notification X. So that is the plugin actually. Click in the install now option. And for creating this kind of professional looking product filter, I need one extra plugin, that is Husky Product Filter Professional for WooCommerce. So let me type that here. That is the plugin, Husky Product Filter Professional for WooCommerce. Click in the install now. After that, I need another plugin, that is Anywhere Elementor. That is the plugin actually. Before the plugin name was Anywhere Elementor. Now the name gets changed. Now the name is Dynamic Add-on for Elementor. Click in the install now option. Payment gateway plugin I will install later. So now let me come back to the install plugin option because I have to activate all the plugin. Just click in this in the bulk action, click in the activate and click in the apply. So for Elementor plugin, you will get this window. Click in the continue as guest, click in the skip. Here also click in the skip option and here also click in the skip option, keep it. So it's loading Elementor page builder. So here it's loading a test template, okay. I don't need that. So let me come back to the dashboard. So click in the exit to dashboard, click in the W option to come back to the dashboard. So here you can see it's create a page. I don't need that. So let me click in the trash option to delete the page. And as you successfully install the WooCommerce plugin, you can see lot of page automatically created. So now let me check all the plugin installed or not. Click in the plugin option. So as you can see, all the plugin is almost successfully activated, remaining these two. So let me click in the activate for this unlimited elements for the Elementor. Click in the allow and continue. I will set this plugin later. Again, let me come back to the plugin option and from here, let me activate this variation image gallery for the WooCommerce plugin also. Click in the activate option. I will set them later. So now let me set up the WooCommerce. So for set up the WooCommerce, you have to click in the settings option downside of the WooCommerce. So here you can see the settings option. Click on that. And here you can see lot of extra notification option is added. Let me dismiss them or close them one by one. So in the general tab, first of all, I have to enter my store address and in the country/state, I am from Telangana. So let me search Telangana. So here you can see India-Telangana, select that. And after that, I have to enter the zip code. After that, in the general option, selling location, you want to sell to a specific country or all country. I want to sell my product only in India. So I'm choosing sell to specific countries. And here let me search India. So that is the India. Remaining here I'm keeping as it is. Autocomplete address, default customer location. Everything I'm keeping as it is. From here enable taxes. Yes. Now scroll down. Yes, I want to apply the coupon also. And in currency I'm choosing Indian rupees. If you want to change the currency always you can do that. Suppose you want USD. So you can choose USD. But I need INR because I want to set up the store in India. So I'm choosing Indian rupees. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Click in the save changes. So after that I have to click in the products tab. So make sure shop page is selected as shop. Okay. After that weight unit, I'm making it gram because I'm selling only dress and the dress weight normally measure in gram, not in kilogram. Remaining here everything I'm keeping as it is. Click in the save changes. So after that come back to the tax. So in India tax is known as GST. By default total 2 tax class is added here, zero rate and reduced rate. So here let me add one tax class. In India tax is known as GST and for different kind of product actually the GST rate also in India get vary. For some product GST rate is 5%. For some product GST rate is 12% like that. So here let me create two GST class. One is GST 12, another is GST 5. Okay. Now scroll down, click in the save changes. Now in the top here you can see two new class get added. GST 12 rates and GST 5 rates. So first of all let me click in the GST 12. Click in the insert row option and for India code is IN and here the rate will be 5%. Uncheck this one and click in the save changes. Similarly for the that is for GST 12. So here I have to make it 12. Click in the save changes and for the GST 5 also do the same thing. Click in the insert row, country code IN and the rate will be 5% here and uncheck these two and click in the save changes. So next click in the shipping option. Now click in the shipping zone. I want to sell my product only in India. So the shipping zone name I'm writing India. Shipping region not required. Click in the save changes. After that click in the add shipping method. Suppose in your website if they buy more than 800 rupees product then the shipping charges will be free. If you have any condition then you can choose this one, free shipping, and after that click in the continue option. So after that here you can see free shipping required. So here you can see a minimum order amount and here I am making 800. So if someone purchase more than 800 rupees product, for that product the shipping charges will be 0. Okay. So now click in the create and save. So now for the other product, I mean the product which rate is below 800 rupees. So let me click in the add shipping method, flat rate, and click in the continue. Suppose for each product the shipping charges will be 50 rupees, but there is a catch. If you just wrote 50 here and click in the create and save, then if the customer buys single product, for that also the shipping charges will be 50, and if he buy 100 product, then also the shipping charges will be 50. But you want for each and every product which rate is below 800 rupees, for each product the shipping charges will be 50. Like if they buy two product, then the shipping charges will be 50 plus 50 means 100 rupees. So for that, what you have to do, after mentioning the shipping charges, you have to write asterisk sign, and in bracket you have to write in small letter QTY means quantity, okay? And after that you have to close the bracket. If you hover on this question mark, you can see all the thing, okay? And now after that you have to click in the create and save. I'm creating a simple clothing store. For me this setup is enough. But if someone want to ship any heavyweight product, then for that person, for shipping a heavyweight product, the shipping charges will be more compared to this cloth sarees, okay? So for that, what I have to do? So for that, actually we have to create a different shipping class. So here you can see the class option is there. Click on the class, and after that let me click in the add shipping class. The shipping class name I'm giving as heavy. Here also I'm writing heavy. So in the description I'm writing for the heavy item which weight more than 4 kg, and after writing you have to click in the create option. So again I have to come back to the shipping zone option, click in the edit option for the shipping zone. After that I have to click in the edit option for the flat rate, and I have to remove the rate from here. Now the product which is belong to the heavy shipping class, for that suppose the rate will be 350 rupees per item. You can mention any rate, okay? And the product which is not belong to the heavy shipping class, and the product which rate is below 800 rupees, for that product the shipping charges will be 50 rupees, okay? Hope you understand the concept. So after that you have to click in the save option. So after that you have to click in the payments method. In the payments method I have to add all the payment gateways. So as you can see in this payment method, now Stripe and PayPal option is displaying, but for activating this Stripe payment gateway and PayPal payment gateway, I have to install plugin. Let me click in the install option for the Stripe. So after successfully install Stripe payment gateway, as you can see, lot of extra option get added. Similarly, I have to add this PayPal payment gateway also. Click in the install option. So as you can see, PayPal payment gateway also added here, as you can see. And in the offline method, I want to activate cash on delivery. So click in the enable option for the cash on delivery, and I want the Razorpay payment method also. And I want to tell another thing, this Stripe payment method and PayPal payment method for the international customer, but in India this payment method are not that much popular. In India Razorpay is very popular, CC Avenue also very popular. So let me add the Razorpay payment gateway also. So for that I have to install a plugin. So hover on the plugin and click in the add plugin option. Now if you're from other country, like if you're from Bangladesh or Pakistan, then you have to search for which payment gateway is famous in your country, and you have to download that payment gateway plugin for the WooCommerce. So let me search for the Razorpay. So that is the Razorpay for the WooCommerce. Click in the install now option, and after installing you have to click in the activate option for activating the Razorpay plugin. So as you can see, Razorpay plugin already activated. So now again come back to the WooCommerce setting. So hover on the WooCommerce and click in the settings option, and that is a test site, and I'm developing this site in a local host. So I'm going to add all the payment gateway in the test mode, okay? But you have to add all the payment gateway in the live mode for your original project. So again let me come back to the payments option. So now scroll down. So here you can see the Razorpay. Click in the complete setup. So the title and description already mentioned here. If you want to change always you can do that. So now I need the key ID and the secret key, okay? So let me come back to the razorpay.com. Let me log in first of all. So here actually you can see I am in test mode, but you have to disable the test mode and you have to verify the KYC, then only you will get your key. The remaining method will be same. So in the top here you can see the key option is displaying. You have to click on that. So they will give the API key. I already have my key, so I'm not going to generate it again. But for generation only you have to click in the regenerate option, okay? I already have the key, So let me add them. So after entering the key and secret key, you have to scroll down and click in the save changes. And this error is coming because I'm using the local server. But when you're creating the website in live domain and hosting account, then this error will not come. So please just ignore that. Let me close that. Similarly, again come back to the payments option. So now I have to set up the PayPal. So scroll down. So here you can see the PayPal payment gateway option. Click in the complete setup. After that, you have to click in the activate PayPal payment. My product is physical. So after that, I have to click in the continue option. Credit/debit card option I want. Click in the continue. And after that, you have to click in the connect to PayPal. This kind of pop-up window will open and it will ask to enter your login credential. So it asking my email ID. So you have to enter your PayPal business email ID. And another thing I want to tell you, you must have a business account, then only it will work. For personal PayPal account, this method will not work. And for accepting payment through the website, you must have to be a business account holder. Okay, for personal account holder, this method will not work. So after entering PayPal business email ID, I have to choose the country. So I'm from India, so I'm choosing India. After that, let me click in the next option. Now I have to enter my login key. Click in the login option and let me enter the key. So now it start to set up the process. All the credential and all the required thing will be automatically added. As you can see, you are already ready. After that, you have to click in the return to the WooCommerce, and after that, this page will be refreshed automatically. So after that, this page will come. Just click in the save option. So once done, just come back to the PayPal payments, and now actually I have to set up the Stripe payment gateway. So in the top here you can see the Stripe option. Click in the complete setup. Click in this option, create or connect a test account. But for you have to click in this one, create or connect with an account. Okay, it is a dummy website, so let me add this website with my test account. Click in this one. So this page will come. So I already have my Stripe account. If you don't have the Stripe account and if you not log in the browser, then it will ask the login credential, and after you successfully log in, this window will open. So I already have an account, so you can choose your account, and after that you have to click in the connect option. But that is a dummy website. So now let me click in the skip the form, because to be frank, in localhost you are unable to join your Stripe account with the website. For that, you must need a real domain or hosting account. In this tutorial, I'm just telling you the process how you can do that. So as you can see, my website successfully connect with the Stripe payment gateway, and it's give the warning that you are in the test mode. Yes, I know I'm in the test mode. Okay, let me close them. So after adding all the payment gateway, directly come back to the site visibility, and from here you have to make it live. By default, your site will be in the coming soon mode. So from there you have to make it live, and after that you have to click in the save changes. After that, I have to set up the buy now button also. Click in the buy now. Must you have to enable this option. Okay, you have to check this one, and redirect use a pop-up. No, I want redirect to the checkout page by skipping the cart page. Okay, button position before add to cart button or after add to cart button. I want it after add to cart button. Okay, and in the catalog mode also, I want after add to cart button. Button title will be buy now. I mean, here whatever the text you want to write, you can write there. Okay, and here as you can see in my demo website, this buy now button is coming after the add to cart button. Okay, reset cart before buying. Yes, remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Click in the save changes. So after that, product filter option is coming. I'll set this later. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. So my WooCommerce setup is complete. Now let me click in this PDF invoice option. So now from here in the shop information, here actually I have to add the logo for the shop, logo, height, shop name, address, all of them. So now let me click in the set image. So now for creating this website, actually whatever the images and SVG files or CSS code I'm going to use, I give them in a folder. The download link of the folder given in the video description. From there you have to download that folder. Okay, your folder will be look like that. So first of all will be the images folder, and second one is the CSS folder. Now open the image and SVG folder, select all the image and just drag and drop it here. For uploading all the images, almost 160 images there, so it will take some time, so please wait for that. Don't reload the page or don't close the browser in between that. So as you can see, all the images already uploaded. So now from here let me choose my logo. Click in the set image. After that I have to enter the shop name, shop address. In address line 2 let me enter Nagol. After that which country, I'm from India, so I'm choosing India. State will be Telangana, sub city will be Hyderabad, and postal ID. After that, in the shop additional info, if you want to write about your business, then you can write it here. After that, I have to enter the shop VAT number, next commercial number, shop phone number, shop email address, and here you can mention the shop terms and condition. Now lot of extra option is available. If you want, then you can fill them, but that is the basic setting. Okay, so after that, clicking the save changes. So now I have to set up the royal add-on. So for that, in the top here you can see the complete royal Elementor add-on setup. Click on that, click in the allow and continue. Now from here, let me click in this royal add-on option. Now from here, actually I don't need all this option, because if you enable all the option, it will make your Elementor page builder very slow. So I'll recommend, for the feature you need, enable that only. First of all, let me disable all of them. So from here I need this WooCommerce grid slider carousel. This one also I need. Testimonial I need. Advanced slider also I need. This timeline not required. Nav menu yes required. Mega menu if you want to create, then you have to enable that. This one page navigation also required. Countdown also required. Mailchimp option required. Team member option also required. If you want to add any lottie animation element in your website, then you can enable that also. This one also required. The search form, enable that. Back to top option also required. Site logo also required. Pop-up trigger also required. Now scroll down. After that, here you can see the theme builder widget. These are all the post widget, and in this website actually I don't have any post, so I'm not going to enable them. Directly come back to the WooCommerce builder widget. Here actually I need all of them, so let me enable all of them one after one, because in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to create custom product page, shop page. So I need all of them. So after that, scroll up and come back to the extension, and here the column slider I don't require that. This also I don't require that. Parallax multi-layer not required. Equal height required. Yeah, these options are required. Okay, come back to the settings option. So here everything I'm keeping as it is. So here actually there is an option called Mailchimp API key. So I have to enter the Mailchimp API. So for that, first of all, let me open a new tab and search for the Mailchimp. Let me log in first of all in the Mailchimp account. So that is my Mailchimp dashboard. Just search for the API here. After that, here you can see the API keys option is there. So first of all, you have to register a new app. So for that, you have to click in this register and manage your app. I already have the app, so I'm not going to do it again. So after register your app, you have to scroll down. Here you can see your API key. I already have multiple websites, so multiple time I create the key. The process is very similar. You have to just click in the create key option, and you have to enter the API key name. Suppose I'm giving the key name as WooCommerce free site. Click in the generate key. So that is your key. Just copy that and keep it in a safe place. Okay, because once you create the key, then you are not going to show the key again. Either you have to save the key in a safe place, else you can revoke the key and create a new one. So after copy the key, come back here and paste that key here. Now scroll down. Now from here actually you can change the background color, tooltip color, caption background color, gallery BG color. Some option is there. If you want, you can change them, and here you can set your default UI icon size, navigation arrow size, text color, etc. The text size, suppose I am taking 16 pixel, and after that I have to click in the save changes. So after set up the royal add-on, scroll down. Here you can see the unlimited elements. Click on that. Now from here, click in the widget session. So as you can see, lot of widget is available here. Now from here, directly click in this Woo widget, means WooCommerce widget. So from here, I need this one, Woo mini cart. Click in the install option. After that, I need this one also, Woo product grid. This one also I record. Woo product list, Woo product carousel. Install it. Category grid. Install. This one also I required. This one is the must one. Okay, Woo category carousel. Click in the install option. So after that, hover on the appearance and click in the customize option. So here actually I have to do some basic customization. First of all, click in the site identity. So click in the logo. From the media library, you have to choose the logo and click in the select option. Click in the skip cropping retina logo. I am taking the same logo as retina logo, but if you have any different retina logo, then you can take that. Click in the choose image. Mobile logo also, I want the same logo only, so everything I'm keeping as it is. Logo width, I think 220 will be perfect. Site title, if you want to change always you can do that. Site tagline also you can change. Site icon, click on that. I don't have any site icon actually, so let's do one thing. Click in the select. Now just crop this image as my site icon. I think that will look good. Click in the crop image. You can see in the top it's changed now. Okay, click in the publish. So after that, come back to the layout and here site container, make sure it should be 1200. Okay, remaining here everything I'm keeping as it is. So now come back here, the sidebar header I will set up later. Now come to the color, so that will be the primary color for me. After that, for the text color, suppose I'm choosing this black color. Link color, I'm taking this little grayish color. Link hover color, let me take this color. So come back here and paste it here, and the extra color let me add this color, and for extra color 2 let me add this color. Okay, so click here and mention the color code here. Click in the publish option. Now come back to the typography, click in the body, and by default font I'm taking outfit. So from here actually you can set up the font size, line height, etc. The body font size, suppose I'm taking 16 pixel. Click in the publish. For the primary menu, I'm keeping the default setting only. If you want to change the color, always you can do it, but here everything I'm keeping as of now as it is. Even from here you can easily change the heading size also. I'll do it in the Elementor page builder because I'm going to create the page by using Elementor page builder. There I'll change all the thing. Okay, so now at present let me click in the cross option. So now I have to do the most important thing. I have to create the products. But before creating products, I have to create product category and product attributes. So for creating the product category, hover on the products and here you can see the categories. Click on the categories. So by default there will be a category. Let me edit this. Click in the edit option. I am giving the name as party dress, and here I have to add the thumbnail also. Click in this, and for the party dress I am choosing this party dress category image. Click in the use image, click in the update. So now let me add some category. So for adding the category, I have to click in this go to the category option. So here actually I have to mention the category name. So after that, here in the thumbnail, I have to click in the upload/add image. And for the hoodie, I am taking this one. Click in the use image, and after that I have to click in the add new category option. In similar manner, actually I have to add all the category. I have to mention the category name here, and after that I have to click in the upload/add image. And suppose for the kurti category, I am taking this image. Click in the use image, and after that again I have to click in the add new category option. So let me add all the categories one after one. So after adding all the categories, you have to create some attributes. For creating the attribute, I have to click in this attribute option. So the first attribute name will be color, and in the type I'm choosing color. Click in the add attribute, and my second attribute will be size, and here I'm choosing button. Click in the add attribute. So now let me click in the color attribute. So first color will be black. Click in this, and from here I'm choosing black color. Click in the add new color. Next color will be blue color, and from here I'm taking this blue color. Click in the add new color. Next color will be green color, and from here I'm choosing green. Click in the add new. Next color will be pink color. So from here I'm taking this pink color. Click in the add new. After that I need the purple color, so that is my purple color. Click in the add new. After that I need red color, so from here I'm taking this color. Click in the add new. After that next I need white color also, so that is the white color. Click in the add new. And the last color I'm taking yellow color, and here I'm choosing this color. Okay, click in the add new. So after that again I have to come back to the attribute, and after that let me click in the size attribute. So now let me add all the size. First size will be large size. I'm mentioning L for that. Next size will be medium. After that small size. Next will be XL size. Like that you can add all the sizes. Okay. After that I have to click in the brands, because I have to add all the brands whose product I'm going to sell in my website. My first brand is Viva, and click in the upload/add image, and I already upload the brand image as you can see here. Click in the use image, click in the add new. My second brand is Fashion Factory, so that is the image. Click in the use image, click in the add new brand. My next brand will be Libas. Now let me search the image, this one. Click in the use the image, click in the add new brand. In similar manner let me add all the brand one after one, and my last brand will be Zudio. Let me search the image, this one. Click in the use image, and after that let me click in the add new brand. So now I have to create the products. So here actually in this website I am going to create two type of product. One will be simple product and another will be variable product. So first of all I'll create the simple product, and after that I'll teach you how to create the variable product. For adding the product, I have to click in this option, add new product. So here actually I have to add all the information. Suppose let me open a product from my dummy website. Suppose I want to add this product in my website. So first of all, I have to enter the name of the product here. Okay. After that, the product description, I'll add that later. So after that, here you can see at your right hand side, here you can see product image. Click on that. So that is the product image. So that is my product image. Click in the set as product image. And after that, I have to add the product gallery image. Product gallery image means in the downside here you can see extra two image. These two are product gallery image. So let me click on that, and from the media library let me select those image. This is one image and that is another image. So after choosing the image, click in the add to gallery option. Now scroll down. So here you can see the product category. All the product category are displaying here. So this product belongs to women's category and sweater category. If you want to add any tag, always you can write. Suppose in the product tag I'm writing winter, and after that you have to click in the add option. After that you have to choose the brand. Suppose this product belongs to Saisa brand, so I'm choosing that brand. If you have any video URL from YouTube, then you can mention the URL here, but I don't have that, so I'm not mentioning here anything. So next, in the product data, it is simple product or variable product. So it is simple product. So here I'm keeping it simple only. Next, here you have to enter the product regular price. Suppose the product regular price is 450 rupees. And if any sale going on, if you want to sell this product in discounted rate, then here actually you have to enter the after sale rate. Suppose 399. So now if you want to schedule this sale offer, then in the downside here you can see schedule option is there. Click on that. Suppose you want this sale will be available from July 9th to July 31st. If you want to cancel that, then you can cancel easily. And after that, tax status. This product is taxable or not? Yes, this product is taxable, and the tax class is GST 5. Hope you remember this GST 5 and GST 12 tax class you created. So from here I am choosing GST 5. After that, inventory. So here actually you have to enter SKU. Every product have a stock keeping unit. That stock keeping unit you have to enter here. After that, if you have GTIN number or UPC number or EAN number, then you have to enter that. After that, stock management. Suppose you have total 50 product in your inventory, then you have to mention 50 here. After that, allow back order. This means suppose your stock is ended, okay, but if you want to still accept the order for this product, then you have to make it allow. And if you want to notify your customer that product already ended but it soon will be in stock and you can create the order, in this case you can choose this one. After that, lower stock threshold. Suppose I am mentioning 5. So at present I have total 48 product or 50 product, okay, in my stock. So when all the sale happen and only the 5 product is left in your stock, then this website will send an email to you that only 5 product is available. So be prepared to keep the next stock, okay. So in this condition you can mention the low stock threshold here. So after that, sold individually. Suppose you want in a order, customer can order only single quantity this product, then you can enable that. This option is very useful when you have very limited quantity, okay. So a customer in a single order can order this product in a single quantity only. So after that, shipping. So here actually you have to enter the product weight in gram. After that, product length, product width, product height. Next, shipping class. This is belongs to the heavy shipping class or not. This product is not heavy, so I am making it no shipping class. This link product attribute advanced option I will discuss later. So after that, product short description. Product short description means these are the product short description, okay. So you can mention that here. So now I have to write the product description, but I want to write the product description in this style. Actually, to write the product description in this style, I need Elementor page builder, but as you can see at present Elementor page builder option is not showing here. So you can do one thing, let me publish the product. After that, hover on the Elementor and click in the editor and come back to the settings option. Now from here, I have to enable the product option. Now click in the save changes. Okay, I need this WooCommerce page builder also. Let me enable that. Click in the save changes, and here actually I forgot to do one thing, and after checking all this option, do one thing, come back to the atomic editor and deactivate it. Click in the deactivate because I don't want to use the atomic editor feature in this website. I want the simple Elementor page builder interface. So now again hover on the products and click in the all products. So now let me open the product. So now you can see this edit with Elementor option is coming. Before it was not there, but now it's coming. So let me click in the edit with Elementor option. So now from here, let me close this one. So after that, click in the plus option, click in the flex box. I'm taking single row and 2 column. Click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. After that, I have to click in this one. I mean the first container. The first container width I'm taking 30%, and the second container width I'm taking around 70%. Click in this and search for the image. So here you can see the image. Just drag and drop it here. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I'm taking this image, click in the select. Now click in the plus option and search for the heading. So drag and drop the heading here, and my heading will be this one. Okay, so here I have to mention that. Let's make it H4. Come back to the style option. I think I have to increase the line height little bit. Yeah, now it's looking good. After that, I need this text content also. So click in the plus option again, search for the text. So here you can see the text editor. Just drag and drop it downside. And after that, whatever you want to write, you can mention it here. Next, I need this session. So here you can see in a single row, total 3 column is there. This is the first column, image is the second column, and that is the third column. Okay, so click in the plus option, flex box, single row 3 column. Again, click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, come back to the layout. So here the column gap, I think 5 will be enough. Let me check the size. Okay, it's 25, 50, and again 25. Let's do one thing. Let's make it 30, 40, and this one again 30. Now click in the plus option. Again, search for the heading. Drag and drop the heading. Make it H4, and my heading will be key feature. So here I have to mention key feature. Similarly, I need another heading. So copy and paste it here, and here my heading will be perfect for. Okay, so here I have to mention perfect for, and here actually I need an image. So search for the image. So that is the image. Drag and drop it here and click in this from the media library. Suppose I'm taking this image, click in the select. So after that, I have to write this one, this key feature. So click in this, search for the text. So that is the text editor. Just drag and drop it here like that. Similarly, so by default, it will be in list item. If you don't want the list item, you can do one thing, just select it and click on that. So now it will come in normal way. Okay. But if you want to arrange them in point wise, then better to select everyone and make it number list. Okay, so it will look more good and professional. Similarly, for this one also, copy it, search for the text, drag and drop the text editor downside and mention that points here. So after that, I need another heading. Click in the plus option, taking single row, single column, click in this plus option. So I need the heading, drag and drop the heading here, make it H4. My heading will be product specification, and click in this plus option here again, search for the text, drag and drop the text downside. Now copy the table. So here I have to mention it. After that, I need this 2 block also. So you can click in the plus option, click in this, single row 2 column, click in this one, come back to the advanced option, margin top I'm taking, first of all unlock it, and margin top I'm taking around 20, and padding will be 0 from all side, and here I need a heading. So let me do one thing, copy it, paste it here. Even here also I need a heading, paste it here. Okay, so here my heading will be this one. So click in this one, and here I have to mention that I need a text block also. Just drag and drop the text block downside. So that will be the content for the first text block, copy, paste it here, and that will be the content for the second text block. Check the tablet preview. So as you can see in the tablet preview, everything is coming properly. And let me check the mobile preview also. Okay, everything is looking good. Come back to the desktop preview and click in the publish. So now let me do one thing. If you want this structure in lot of product, then every time you don't have to create this description structure from scratch. You can do one thing, you can save this structure as a template. So for that, what you have to do, just click in this. Here you can see save as template option is there. So after that, I have to enter the template name. So the template name I'm giving product description and click in the save option. So after that, let me close this one, click in this, click in the exit to WordPress, and after that you have to update the product once. So in this way you can create a simple product. Let me check the preview how it looks like. So for checking the preview, you have to click in this option, preview changes. So as you can see, everything is coming properly, but there is a problem. This image is coming in very small size. So you can fix that easily. So what you have to do, you have to hover on the appearance and click in the customize option. From here, you have to click in the WooCommerce. From here, you have to click in the product image. And here you can see uncropped option is there. Click on that, click in the publish option. Come back here, refresh the page. Okay, the problem till not solved. So we can do one thing, right click, click in the inspect, click in this and select this. After that, okay, so that is my image. Okay, I found the problem. So anyway, just max width, it is 46%. We can do one thing, just copy this one, come back to the customizer, and here if you come back here, you can see the additional CSS option is there. Paste it here, and instead of 46, just make it 100%. Publish it, come back here, refresh the page. So now you can see your problem already solved, and everything is also working perfectly. When I hovering, the zooming also working perfectly. Even other image also coming in full size. Okay, so that is my single product page at present time. And as you can see, my short description also coming properly, rate also coming properly, even my long description also, as you can see, everything is coming properly. So now let me teach you how to create the variable product. Process is almost similar. So again, I have to click in the add new product. You can click here, either here, it's totally up to you. So first of all, I have to enter the product name. Long description I will add after some time. So now I have to set the product image, click on that. And from the media library, suppose I'm taking this image, click in the set product image, and for adding the product gallery image, click in the add product gallery image. I'm taking these two image. By pressing Ctrl key at a time, you can select two image, click in the add to gallery. After that, I have to choose the product category also. So this belong to women category, and from hoodie category, and the second category is hoodie. The product tag, suppose here also I am taking winter. So as you already create this winter tag, after entering this WIN, this winter tag automatically come here. Click in the add option. Brand, suppose this product belong to Zudio. Now scroll up. Now let me add the product short description also. So after that, here from this drop down, I have to choose variable product. Tax status, yes, taxable, and the tax class, suppose GST 5. Inventory, so SKU I will enter later, because when I creating the variable of the product, then there also have to enter the attribute. Okay, stock management not required. Shipping, that also not required here. Link product, if you want to link any product with this, then you can always do that. And for adding any product, you have to enter any 3 letter of that product. I already create one product. So as you can see, after entering this just WAM, this automatically come. After that, come back to the attribute option. So that is the main part for any variable product. First of all, I have to click in this drop down. So I already add two attribute. One is color attribute, another is size attribute. Let me first of all add this color attribute, and from here I am taking pink color. Just type PIN, pink automatically come. After red color, and after that let me search for the yellow color. Make sure you have to check both of them. Okay, and after that you have to click in the save attribute option. Again click in this. Now select the size attribute, and size I'm taking L and M. You can take all of them, but here just for teaching purpose I'm just taking 2. Again I have to click in the save attribute option. After that I have to create the variation. For creating the variation, I have to click in this variation option. In the top here you can see generate variation option is displaying here. Click on that. After that click in the OK. So as you can see, all the variation already added, and in the top here I have to add the default value, means when I open the product, which variation should display. Suppose I am choosing pink and large. I mean this variation I am choosing as default. Okay, so for the pink and large, click in this. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image as main image, click in the set variation image. After that I have to add the gallery image, click in the add gallery image. And from the media library, I am taking these two image, click in the add media image. Okay, after that here you have to enter the SKU for the pink color and large size. If you have G10, you have to enter that also. After that For this one, suppose the rate is 500 rupees and after discount the rate is 450 rupees. Product in stock, yes, in stock, and weight suppose 260 gram, and then you have to enter this length, width, height. Shipping class same as parent, because in the parent I already set the shipping class and tax class. If you want to add any extra description, always you can write it here. After that, pink color, medium size. For that also, suppose I'm taking this image as main image. After that, let me add the gallery image also. So from the media library, suppose I am taking these two images, click in the add image. Again, I have to enter the SKU. After that, G10. For this one means pink color and medium size. Suppose the rate is 250 rupees. I am entering some random rate, okay? If there is no sale, then no need to enter anything here. Weight suppose 270 gram. Let me enter some dummy length, width and height. Now for red color and large size, from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set variation image, and as a gallery image, suppose I am taking these two image, okay? Click in the add gallery, this image should be here. So after that, here also I have to enter the SKU, and after that GT number. Next I have to enter the regular rate, suppose 260, and weight suppose 300 gram, length 50, width 60, height 100. Similarly for red color and medium size, click in this. Let me take this one. After that, add gallery image. For that, suppose I am taking these two image. Click in the add image option, and here also I have to enter the SKU. After that, GT number. Next the rate suppose 310, weight suppose 260, and after that enter some dummy weight, length and height, okay? And after that, yellow color, large size. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set variation image. After that, add to gallery, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image and this image, okay? Click in the add images. Here also have to enter the SKU. After that, GT number. Next rate. After that, weight will be suppose 300, length 40, 50 and height will be 100. So next will be yellow color and medium size. Let me take this image, click in the set variation. After that, add gallery images, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image and this image, click in the add image, enter the SKU, GT number. After that, regular product rate like 320, and this product have some discount, and the discount rate is suppose 280, weight is 250 gram, length 40, width 50, height 110. So after that, I have to click in the save changes. Now scroll up, let me click in the publish option. So after that, I have to add the long description also. So again, let me click in the edit with Elementor option. Now hope you remember, for the product description, you already create one template. So for accessing that template, you have to click in this, come back to the template, and here you can see that product description template already showing here. Click in the insert option. So now you can easily change the content. Suppose here I need this content. After that, let me change the image also. Suppose from the media library, I am taking this image, click in the select, and here at the place of this image, suppose I am taking this image, click in the select. And after that, you can easily change the content, okay? But it's a dummy website, so here everything I'm keeping as it is. Now let me click in the publish option, and once it published, you have to click in this, and after that you have to click in the exit to WordPress option, and after that you have to click in the update option. And once it updated, let me check the preview. So for that, I have to click in the preview changes option. So now you can see it's coming like that. Let me check the variation is working or not. Suppose I'm choosing the red color. Okay, everything is coming perfectly. If I choose the yellow color, okay, it's done. Everything is coming properly. So now let me create some more products, and after that I will continue the video. So as you can see here, I already create a lot of product in different category. In between, some of them are simple product, some of them are variable product. So now let me view a product, how it's look now. Suppose I want to view the product. So let me click in the view. So as you can see, at present, my product are displaying like that, okay? It's really looking good. So now let me teach you how to create this brand session. Means I am talking about this Suta and this block actually, how to create that and how to integrate that in the product short description. So for that, come back to the dashboard, and from here you have to click in this one, this dynamic template, okay? Click on that. Now from here you have to click in the add new template, and template name I am giving as brand rating. After that, let me click in the edit with Elementor option. After that, click in the plus option, flex box, single row, single column. Click in this, search for the HTML here. So here you can see the HTML. Just drag and drop it here. Come back to the advanced option. Here you can see the padding. Click on that and make it 0 from all side. So after that, again come back to the content. Now you have to open that folder what you already downloaded from my video description, and here you can see a CSS folder. Open that folder, and here you can see one file name, code for brand rating. Okay, open that. Now from here select all, copy everything, close this one, and you have to paste it here. So it will come something like that. Now from here, if you want to change the image and brand name, what you have to do, expand it a little bit. Now open the dashboard in another tab, and from there come to the media. Suppose for the Zudio brand, I want to create that session. So from the media library, I am opening the brand image for the Zudio, and here you can see file URL. So click in this copy URL option. After that, you have to come here, and here you can see the image source. Okay, just select that image source. I think I have to increase it a little bit. Okay, so select that image source, delete that, paste the image source what you just copy. So as you can see, my image get changed. Now at the place of Suta, I have to mention the brand name, and the brand name is Zudio. So hope you understand the concept. And after changing the brand name and brand image, if you want to change the text, I mean this fake number sold in last 12 hours. Suppose at the place of 12 hour you want to write 24 hour. So what I have to do, in downside here you can see sold in last 12 hour. Suppose at the place of the 12 hour you can make it 24 hour. Okay, and here at the place of 12 you have to mention 24, like that. So now let me click in the publish option. For every brand actually you have to create one template. Similarly, let me create another template for other brand. So again I have to click in this, click in the exit to WordPress, and rename this template name brand rating Zudio. And after that, let me click in the update option. So after that, let me add another template. Here I am giving the template name as brand rating Suta. Click in the publish. After that, again click in the edit with Elementor option. So again I have to copy the entire code. After that, click in this flex box, single row, single column. Click in this, search for the HTML, drag and drop the HTML here and paste that code. Now from here you have to copy the file URL, and here actually I have to mention that URL. Similarly, if you want to change the brand name, here you can do that. After that, let me click in the publish option. I mean, in this way, for every brand you have to create different template. Next, what you have to do, click in this all dynamic template. Suppose I'm copy this code for the Zudio. Okay, here you can see the short code. Copy the code from here. Next, come to the all product session. Suppose this product belong to the Zudio. As you can see, brand Zudio is showing. So now let me open that product. After opening, scroll down, and here come to the code mode. Okay, now at the top just paste that code like that. Okay, next click in the update option, and after updated, check the preview. So click in this preview changes. So here you can see this brand rating session already added here. Now suppose for this Suta brand product you want to add that session. So again you have to copy the code from here. Now come to the all product session. So now open the product which is belong to the Suta brand. So as you can see, this product belong to the Suta brand. Open that. After that, scroll down. Now come to the code mode for the short description, and here actually you have to paste that code. Okay, so now scroll up and click in the update option. Let me click in the preview changes. So as you can see, this brand rating session successfully added here. So hope you understand the concept. So now let me create custom shop page, category archive page, and single product page. So for that, again I have to come back to the dashboard, and here you can see the shop builder. Click on that. Click in this option, add new page. Template name I am giving shop page, and select template type. I am choosing shop archive. Select the editor type. Make sure Elementor should be selected, and set as active template yes. After that, I have to click in the save option. After that, I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So I have to create a shop page which should be look like that. Okay, so first of all, let me search for the container. Drag and drop the container here. Now for this container, come back to the advanced option, padding from all side, make it 0. Come back to the style option. Here actually I have to add a background for this one. So as you can see here, for this header session, there is a background image. So click in the image, and from the media library, suppose I am selecting this image. Okay, I need this pink color. In my demo website that is cream color, but in my site I want that should be in pink color. Okay, so I'm choosing this image. After that, click in the select. Next, the display size, make sure it should be covered. Next, come back to the advanced option again. So here, padding top I'm taking 50 and padding bottom also I'm taking 50 pixel. So now click in this plus option and search for the heading. Drag and drop the heading here and my heading will be shop. Okay, so here I have to write shop. Let me make it H4. I think H2 will be looking good. So now again click in the plus option. So after that I need this category slider. As you can see here, that is the category slider. So here I have to search for the category. It's already come here. Okay, this one. Just drag and drop it downside like that. And in the post type, it should be product, and in the select taxonomy, it should be category. Okay, next, maximum number of the item, let's make it 15. Scroll down, click in this cursor setting option. So here, number of the item for the desktop, I think 5 will be perfect. So total 5 category will be display. As you can see here, it's changed. For tablet, make it 3, and for the mobile, make it 2. Again, come back to the desktop preview. After the loop, yes, I want the loop. Autoplay, enable that. Margin between the item, I think 30 will be perfect. Remaining here, everything I'm keeping as it is. Image setting, make sure it should be full size. After that, layout setting. Show info, no. Show arrow, I don't want. Show dots, I don't want that also. Now, no need to change anything in arrow and these sessions. Okay, directly come back to the settings option. So here, alignment, make it center. Come back to the content padding. From all side, make it 0. Now here you can see the content background color. Make it fully transparent like that. Now remaining everything keep as it is. Here you can see the title. If you want to change the title color or title font size, you can always do that. Let me change the title font size. I think 14 pixel will be perfect. Line height, I think that's look good. After that, directly come to the image. Height type, make it ratio. After that, here you can see the background color. Click on that and make it fully transparent like that. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Now again click in the plus option. Flex box, I'm taking this one, single row and 2 column. Now click in this one. The width I'm taking 30%, and for the second one, make it 70%. Now click in the first one. So in the first column, I have to create this product filter, and for the second column in the top, that will be this product sorting option, and after that I have to place the product archive session. For this product filter, actually I am going to use Husky plugin. So for that, come back to the dashboard and hover on the WooCommerce. After that, click in the settings option. Hope you remember there is a product filter option, and when I was setting the WooCommerce plugin, I tell you that I will set up this later. So now let me open this product filter option. So at the top, I need this product search option. So just drag it in the top. Now click in this gear icon. So at the placeholder text, I'm writing search product. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Click in the apply. So after that, I need this filter by price option. I'm talking about this one. So that is the search by price. Click in the additional option. So in the text title, I'm writing enter price range. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Click in the apply. So after that, I need this product category session. Okay, and that should be a toggler. So here you can see the product category. Just drag it in top after the search by price option. Click in this additional option. Now by default, I want it should be in close situation. So yes, so as close. Okay, so when I open the shop page, by default my toggler will be in the close condition. If you need, then you can expand and use that. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. If you want to change the block title, by default it will be product category. If you want to change that, then you can enter your custom title here. But here I'm not going to change anything. Click in the apply. After that, search by author I don't want, so make it no. In stock also no. On sale also I don't want. Next, brand, yes, I want that. Enable that. Click in this additional option. So title, yes, and here choosing this one, yes. So as close. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Click in the apply. Product visibility, don't want. Product tag, yes, I want. Click in this, and here also make it yes. So as close. Click in the apply. After that, product color, yes, I want. Click in the additional option. That also I'm choosing yes, so as close. Click in the apply. Similarly for the product size also, click in this and make it yes, so as close. Okay. After that, click in the apply option. Now let me click in the save changes. After that, hover on the appearance and click in the widget. Close this one. Here you can see the WooCommerce sidebar. Click on that. Click in the plus option. and search for the Husky. So here you can see the Husky product filter, select that. After that, just click in the update option. Next, come back to your shop page builder. Click in this plus option and here search for the sidebar. So here you can see the sidebar, just drag and drop it here. And from here, choosing WooCommerce sidebar, okay. Next, click in the plus option and search for container. So here you can see the container, just drag and drop it here like that. Now come back to the advanced option and unlock the padding. Next, click in the plus option here. Now search for the count. So here you can see this RT recent count, just drag and drop it here. After that, again click in the plus option and search for the ordering. So here you can see the product ordering. Just drag and drop it downside like that. Again click in the plus option, search for the view mode. So here you can see the view mode. Just drag and drop it here like that. Now come back to this container and here in the layout direction, make it row horizontal. And here you can see justify content. And here you can see the space between. Click on that. Let me check the tablet preview. Okay, it's looking like that. So let me do one thing. So here, come back to this container. Okay. And here you can see the direction. Just make it vertical. Now select this container and in the layout, the width make it percentage and make it 100%. Similarly, for this container also, I mean the outer container, in the layout, make it percentage and make it 100%. Now let me check the mobile preview. Okay, in the mobile preview also, as you can see, everything is coming perfectly. Now come back to the desktop preview again. Now again click in the plus option and here I need this one, product archive custom, okay. Just drag and drop it downside like that. Now from here in the grid layout, I am choosing this second grid layout. Now from here, you can select how much product you want to display in a single row. If I make it 4, as you can see in a single row, total 4 column is displaying. I mean total 4 product are displaying. I think 3 will look good. So I am choosing 3 only, okay. Scroll down and here the action button layout. Whatever you want, you can select. As you can see, at present when I hover, the action button are coming in the downside. Suppose I want it should come at the right hand side like that. So according to your requirement, you can choose. After that, pagination. Yes, I want to enable the pagination. So after that, come back to the settings option. So here, whatever you need, you have to enable. So now from here, I need the product title. Yes. Product price also I need, rating also, product badge also I required. Now in the action button actually, suppose you don't want quick view, so that disable the quick view, and if you want to show the compare button, then you have to enable that. So now if I hover on the product, as you can see, add to cart, add to wishlist and add to compare option is displaying, okay. Now come back to the product image. So from here, if you want, you can change the hover effect, like at the place of zoom in, if you want to do zoom out, then you can do that. So as you can see, the hover effect gets changed. Now come to the action button. So add to cart text. No, I don't want that. So when I hover on the product, only this cart icon will show. If you want to change the cart icon, always you can do that. Suppose at place of this icon, I want this icon, okay. So click in the insert option. So as you can see, the icon gets changed now. Similarly, if you want to change the wishlist icon, always you can do that. But I think it's looking good. So I'm keeping as it is, okay. After that, if you want to show the compare text, then you have to enable that. So when you hover on that, this compare text will be get display like that, okay. But I don't want that. So disable that. Come back to the product title. Let's make it H4 and product title limit. I think make it so 2 lines. So if the product title is large, then only 2 line will be get display, okay. So as you can see for this product, the product title is long, okay. So only 2 line is displaying and the end you can see some dots are showing, okay. After that, badge. So which type of the badge you want, you can select from here. Suppose I want this style. So as you can see, the badge totally gets changed now. After that, sale badge type. You want to show the discount percentage or you want to show the sale text. Suppose I want to show the sale text. So as you can see, now only sale text is showing, okay. And if I choose the percentage, then the percentage of the discount available, that is showing here. Now come back to the style option. Now come back to the layout design. Gap, I think 15 will be perfect. If you want to change the alignment, always you can do that. By default, it is center aligned. If you want to make it left aligned, then you can do that, okay. But I think center is looking good, so I'm keeping it center only. If you want to add the content background, you can always do that. So for that, you have to click here and whatever the color you want, you can choose like that, okay. But I don't want anything, so I'm keeping as it is. Similarly, you can change the element background, element drop shadow, everything, okay. Now directly come to the product title, click in the typography. I think product title font size 16 pixel is enough. After that, font weight, let's make it 400. After that, come to the padding, unlock the padding. Padding bottom I am taking around 10 pixel. Now come to the product price. If you want to change the color of the price or typography of the price, always you can do it from here. Suppose the sale price color, I want this pink color. So as you can see, it gets changed. Remaining here, everything I'm keeping as it is. Lot of customization option is available. You can change them according to your requirement. Suppose you want to change the badge color, you can do that. Suppose I'm taking this pink color. So as you can see, the badge color, text color gets changed. Okay. So the designing of the shop page is complete. Now let me check the preview once. So that is the shop page preview. So now let me check the filter is working or not. So let me expand the product category, and from here I am choosing hoodie category. Okay, my filter is working perfectly, but this text is very large. I don't want that much big font size for this filter headers. Okay, so for that, what we can do, let me inspect the page and let me select one header. Okay, I got it. For the change I needed, I understand. So I have to add some custom CSS. Okay, so let me do one thing. Select this, come back to the advanced. Here you can see custom CSS. So here I have to write that, and from here you can easily change the font size. Okay, I think 20 is perfect. Now it's looking quite good. Now let me publish, and now let me check the preview. Okay, now everything is looking quite good. So now let me click on a category, suppose sari. Okay, so category archive option is also working perfectly. So now I have to design single product page. At present, my single product page is looking like that, but I want it should be display like that. Okay, so for that, again come back here, click in this, click in the exit to WordPress. Again, I have to click in this option. So now from here, you have to click in the add new page. The template name I'm giving single product, and from here I'm choosing product page. So now select preview product. For which product you want to select the preview, let me search for any women's product. Suppose I'm choosing this one. After that, set as active template. Yes, I want that. Click in the save option, and after that I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So first of all, I need single row and 2 column. One side of the column I have to embed this feature image, and in another side I have to embed all this option. Okay, so click in this plus option, flex box, single row and 2 column. After that, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, and here in the layout, make sure the gap will be 0 and 0. Okay, now click in this container. Here also the gap, make it 0 for row and column. Come back to the advanced option and unlock the padding. Okay, now click in this plus option and search for the product image. So here you can see RT product image. Just drag and drop it here like that. Come to the product image, and here in the column for the gallery thumbnail, suppose I'm taking 4. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. So after that, let me choose the second container, and here also come back to the advanced option and padding, make it 0. And here in the gap, first of all unlock it. The row gap I am taking 15, and column gap I am taking 10 pixel. Now click in the plus option, search for the product title. So here you can see the product title, just drag and drop it here like that. Now come back to the style option. So I think 26 pixel will be perfect. For the tablet preview, 22 or maybe 20, and for the mobile preview, I think for the mobile preview also 20 is perfect. Okay, if you want to decrease, always you can do it, but I think 20 is looking good. So you can come back to the desktop preview. Now in a single row, I need this 2 option. Okay, so come back here, click in the plus option, search for container, drag and drop the container downside of the title, and here the direction I have to make it row horizontal. Click in this, search for the product price. So here you can see the product price, drag and drop it here like that. Now click in the style option, click in the typography. I think 25 pixel will be perfect, and the sale price 28. Let's do one thing for this one. Actually, let's make it around 22. Okay, now it's looking good. And after that, if you want to change the sale price color, always you can do that also, but everything I'm keeping as it is. So now I need this one, means the product badge. Okay, click in this, search for the badge. So here you can see the product badge, just drag and drop it here like that. Now which kind of badge you want, you can select. Suppose you want this kind of badge, or maybe this kind of badge, whatever you want you can choose. Okay, next come back to the style option. So always you can change the typography. I think 20 will look good, and let me change the background color also. Suppose I'm taking this color. So after that, again I need another row. Click in the plus option, search for the container, just drag and drop it here like that. And here also direction, make it row horizontal. Click in the plus option, search for the product rating. Here you can see the RT product rating. Just drag and drop it here like that. Here let me change the hover color, and on hover color I'm taking this color. Okay, remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. So now again click in the plus option and search for the stock. So here you can see the product stock, just drag and drop it here like that. Okay, I forgot one thing. Select this one, come back to the advanced option. Here actually I have to unlock the padding, and left padding I think 20 will be perfect. Similarly for this one also, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, left padding I'm taking 20 pixel. So if you want to change in the typography, always you can do that, but here everything I'm keeping as it is. So maximum to maximum, let me change the color, and for the in stock color let me take this green color, and for out of stock let me choose this red color. Okay, remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Alignment, let me make it left. So after that I need this short description. So click in the plus option, search for the short description. So here you can see this RT short description, just drag and drop it here like that. Now click in the typography, I think 16 pixel will be good, and the line height I think 20 will be perfect. So after that I need this add to cart option. Okay, so again come back here, click in the plus option, search for the add to cart. So here you can see this RT product add to cart, just drag and drop it here like. Okay, so here buy now button is coming like that. Let me do one thing, come back to the advanced option and come back to the custom CSS. So now open the folder which link I already give you in the video description. So here you can see the site custom CSS is there. So in the top here you can see a CSS code for the single product buy now button. Copy that, paste it here. So as you can see, now it's coming properly. Now come back to the style option. Suppose this add to cart button background color I want to change. So for that, what you have to do, here you can see the background color, click in this. Suppose I'm taking this pink color. Okay, it's done. Remaining here everything I'm keeping as it is. So after that I need this add to wishlist and add to compare option. Okay, so again I have to take another container, drag and drop the container downside. Orientation will be row horizontal. Now let me search for the action button. So here you can see the RT action button. This one, just drag and drop it here. Okay, both are coming here like that. So now this comparison text I want it should be add to compare. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Now let me do one thing, select this container and make it center, and this justify content here also make it centered. Okay, now it's really looking good. So next I have to design this image session, and after that this share button. So again let me take another container, so drag and drop the container like that. Now in between this container I need another two container. So click in this first of all, come back to the advanced option and unlock the padding. Now click in the plus option and again search for the container, just drag and drop the container inside and gap make 0 from all side. Come back to the advanced option and here unlock the padding also. Again come back to the layout and make it percentage, and after that make it 50. Now right click, click in the duplicate. Okay, I forgot to do one thing. Select this container, come back to the layout option and direction will be row horizontal. So now click in the plus option and here let me search for the image, drag and drop the image here, click in this, and from the media library I am taking this payment gateway image. Click in the select. After that click in this plus option, search for the social. So here you can see the RT social share, just drag and drop it here like that, and here you have to enter all the social media platform link. Okay, if you want to add new you can do that also. Next select the top container, I mean this one, and make it center aligned. Let me click in the publish option. After that let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview as you can see it's coming like that. Let me do one thing, select the top container and make it column vertical. Now select this container, come back to the layout option, make it percent, make it 100%, and similarly for this second container also, I mean this one, make it percent and make it 100%. Okay, now it's look good. Click in the publish option, check the mobile preview. Okay, everything is coming perfectly. So you can come back to the desktop preview. So scroll down, click in the plus option, flex box, single row, single column. Click in this plus option, search for the product tab. So here you can see the product tab, just drag and drop it here like that. Here everything I'm keeping as it is. Lot of customization option is available. If you want you can do. Okay, Even in the settings also you can see a lot of option is available, but everything is looking good. So everything I'm keeping as it is. Just come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top I'm taking 50 pixel and padding bottom also I'm taking 50 pixel. Okay, so after that I have to design this related product session. So you can come back here, scroll down, click in the plus option, flex box, single row, single column, click in this plus option, search for the heading, drag and drop the heading here like that, and here my heading will be related products. Again click in the plus option, search for the custom layout. So here you can see this related custom layout, just drag and drop it here like that. So here suppose I am choosing this style and come back to the query. I want to display total 4 product only. So I think from here I have to decrease the title size a little bit. So come back to the settings, come back to the product title. First of all make it H4 and product title limit. Let's make it so single line. Okay, it's coming like that. Now come back to the style option. Here also come to the product title. Click in this and size I'm taking 16 pixel and font weight I'm making it 400. Remaining here everything I'm keeping as it is. I don't want this add to cart text also. So come back to the settings, come back to the action button, disable this so add to cart text. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, another thing I forgot actually, here in this product tab I have to add the review tab. So in the content, scroll down, here you can see the review tab, enable that. So in this way you can create your single product page template. Now let me click in the publish option. So now let me start to design the home page. So now let me come back to the dashboard. After that hover on the page and click in the add page option. Page title I am giving as home. In theme template I am choosing theme, and here in the container I am choosing full width and content. Page header I don't want, so make it disable. After that let me click in the publish option, and after that let me click in the edit with Elementor option. So now before starting to design the pages, let me do some changes in the Elementor settings. So click in this and click in the site setting. First of all click in the global color. In my entire site I'll use the pink color lot of time. So let me add a global color. Name I'm giving as pink, and here let me choose the color code. I need this color. So now let me click in the save changes. Now come back, click in the global font, click in the primary, and here I'm searching for outfit. So here you can see the outfit, select that. Similarly for the secondary font also, click in this, search for outfit. For the text also I'm selecting outfit. For this one also I'm choosing outfit. Now click in the save changes. After that click in this H1 typography. So here also for the link I'm choosing outfit. In similar manner for H1, H2, I mean for all the heading tag also I have to change the font family. So here also I'm choosing outfit. Now for the H2 also I'm choosing outfit. H3 also I'm choosing outfit. For H4 also, even for H5 and H6 also I am choosing outfit. Okay, once done, click in the save changes. Now come back here, click in the button. For all button, the border radius from all side will be 10 pixel. Click in the save changes. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now click in this close option. So my home page should be look like that. Okay, so first of all I have to design this slider. So for that let's come back here, click in the plus option, flex box. I am taking single row and single column. Here the gap make it 0. Come back to the advanced option, padding also first of all make it 0. After that click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the advanced slider, this one. Just drag and drop it here like that, and here I need total 2 slide. So delete the third slide. Now click in the slide 1. So first of all let me change the background. So click in this image, and from the media library I am taking this image. Click in the select option, size should be covered. Background overlay I don't require, so disable that. Now come back to the content. So my title will be hello summer. My subtitle will be this text, I mean this fresh style and hot offer. Okay, this text. After that in description I want this one, this up to 70% off, and this 70% I want in pink color. So I am writing this 70% in a span tag, and by applying CSS I am going to change that color. So in the description I am writing this code up to, after that BR tag means next line, after the span tag, and here style, and the color will be this pink color. Okay, after that I am writing 70%, and after that I am closing the span tag, and after that I am writing off. And here in the primary button I want the text will be shop now, and in the link I want to enter shop page link. Okay, here you can see the shop option is there. Click on that, and I don't want this secondary button, So disable that. So after that, let me come back to the style option. So here the width, I'm keeping 750 pixel. After that, border radius from all side, I'm taking 15 pixel. Now click on the title. So first of all, let me change the title color. I want this color, okay? So for the color code, I'm taking this one, okay? So click in the color and I'm taking this color. Now let me click in the typography. The font family, I'm taking grade 5. So here you can see the grade 5. Click on that. Size, I'm taking 70 pixel. Margin and padding, I'm taking as it is. Now come back to the subtitle. So subtitle color, that will be black color. So I'm making it black. Now come back to the typography. So the size, I'm taking around 18 pixel. Remaining here, everything I'm keeping as it is. Now come back to the description. So the description text default color will be black. Now clicking the typography. This also I'm taking 70 pixel, and here you can see the line height. I think 65 will be perfect. And here the font family, search for April. I'm taking this one, okay? So after that, I need to modify this button also. As you can see, here button color is black and the text will be in white color. Okay, I forgot one thing. I have to add this icon also after the shop now text. So let me do one thing. Come back to the content, and here in the content, here you can see icon library, okay? Click on that, search for the arrow. So here you can see this arrow. Click in the insert option. Okay, now this icon is appearing here. So now again come back to the style option, and here button primary. So the text color will be white. Border color also, I think I need black color. And here you can see the background type. Click in this and make it black color. After that, click in the typography. So here actually I have to increase the letter spacing. That's looking good. I think I have to increase the height little bit. So come back to the content. Here come back to the settings option. At the place of 500, let's make it 600. Here you can see some white space coming. Let me check the preview. Okay, here it's coming properly, as you can see. So now I have to design the slider 2 also. Let me do one thing. Let me refresh the page once. Now you can see that white space gone. Okay. So next, let me do one thing. Here just delete the second slide and just duplicate the first slide. Okay, now come back to the second slide. So here first of all, let me change the background. For the second slide, suppose I'm taking this image. Click in the select. Now come back to the content. So at the place of hello summer, here will be hello winter. Subtitle I'm keeping same, and here at the place of 70%, let's make it 50%. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. As you can see, it's look good. Now let me check the tablet preview. Okay, it's looking good, and that is the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, let me do some changes. So you can come back to the style option. So here padding from all side, just make it 0. Now you can see everything is looking quite good. Then also I want to decrease the title size. So click in the typography. I think 50 is looking good. Even a little bit smaller, I think 45 also will look good. And for the description also, click in the typography. Let's make it around 55. So after that, let me click in the publish option. Now come back to the desktop preview. So after that, I have to design this category slider. So come back here, click in the plus option, flex box, single row, single column. Now click in this advanced option, unlock the padding. Now again click in this plus option, search for container, drag and drop it here. Now come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I'm taking 10 pixel, padding right I'm taking 5 pixel, padding bottom also I'm taking 10, and padding left I'm taking 5. After that, come back to the style option, click in the border, enable the box shadow. Let me decrease the opacity a little bit. Border radius from all side I'm taking 10 pixel. Now click in this plus option, and here search for the category carousel. So here you can see this category carousel. Just drag and drop it here like that. Maximum number of terms, I think 10 will be enough. Now scroll down, click in the carousel setting. So here I think 6 will be perfect for the desktop preview. For the tablet, make it 3, and for the mobile, let's make it 2. Okay, so now come back to the desktop preview again. Margin between item, I think 30 will be perfect. Now come back to the layout setting. So here I need only the title, remaining just toggle it off. Now come back to the style option, alignment, make it center aligned. Content padding from all side, let's make it 0. Content background color, make it transparent. After that, scroll down, click in the title. So title size, I think 14 will be perfect for here, and directly come back to the image, make it ratio. Here everything I'm keeping as it is. Now let me check the tablet preview. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Check me the mobile preview also. Okay, everything is looking quite perfect. Click in the publish option, come back to the desktop preview again. So now again, click in this plus option, click in the flex box. I am taking single row and single column. Now click in the top, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I'm taking 30, padding bottom also I'm taking 30. Now in between that, I need another container. So drag and drop the container here like that, and here in this container actually make it grid, and here the column I need 3 and row I need 1. Now clicking this plus option, and here also I need another container. Drag and drop the container like that, and in this grid actually come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. For this container also come back to the advanced option and unlock the padding. Now for the first container actually come back to the style option, click in this classic option. I need a background image, click in this image option, and from the media library I am taking this banner 1 as background image, click in the select, and the position I am taking top center, display size cover. Next in between that actually I need another container, drag and drop the container here like that. Now this container width I am making it 60%. So first of all I need this heading, click in the plus option, search for the heading, drag and drop the heading here like that. My heading will be women's collection, and let me make it paragraph. Come back to the style option, the text color I need this, click in the typography, font size I am taking 18 pixel. After that I need this heading, means up to will be one line, after that 70% will be in another line. So again click in the plus option, search for the heading again, drag and drop the heading downside like that, and my heading content will be this. Okay, come back to the style option, so heading color will be this one. Now come to the typography, size I am taking 42 pixel and line height around 56 pixel. After that I need a button, this shop now button. Okay, so click in the plus option, search for the button. So here you can see the button, just drag and drop it here like that. Button text will be shop now. I need an icon also, click in the icon library and here search for the arrow. So that is my arrow. Click in the insert, icon position will be end. Next come back to the style option, so here text color that will be black color, and in the background type click in this classic, click in this and make it fully transparent. Okay, next click in the typography and here increase the letter spacing little bit. Yeah, that's looking good. So next actually I have to click in this container, come back to the advanced option. So here left padding I am taking around 10 pixel, top padding I am taking around 5, and bottom padding also I am taking around 5. Okay, next come back to the style option and here come back to the border radius I am taking 10 pixel. Next what I have to do, just right click, click in the duplicate, again right click here and click in the duplicate. Now for the second one, I mean I am talking about the second container. Okay, that is my first container and that is the second container. So click on the second container, come back to the style option and here remove this background image, and here for the second container I need this image. Click in the select and here this title will be men's collection, and here in the heading I'm writing up to 60% off. Next come back to the style option, so here as a background color I need this color, so let me mention that color code here. Similarly for the main heading I need this color, so here let me mention that color. Achha, another thing I forgot, click in this button for the first one and here padding from all sides just make it 0. Similarly for this one also, come back to the style option for the button and padding from all sides make it 0. Similarly for this one also, click in the style option, padding from all sides make it 0. Okay, next for the third one, my heading will be new arrival and the title will be just landed. And now let me click in the third container and come back to the style option, remove this background image and here I need this image. Okay, click in the select. Now let me check the tablet preview once, because it's coming like that. Click in the grid, come back to the layout option, just make it 1. So here let me do one thing, click in the first container, come back to the advanced option. So here first of all unlock this, padding top I'm taking 50, padding right will be 0, padding bottom also I'm taking 50 pixel, and padding left I'm taking around 20. Similarly for the second container also, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, padding top I'm taking 50, right 0, bottom 50, and left I am taking 20. Even for the third one also, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, top 50, after that bottom 50 and left 20. Let me check the mobile preview also. So as you can see in the mobile preview also, it's looking quite good. I am keeping as it is. I think in mobile preview for this slider actually, let me give some top margin. So come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I think 30 pixel will be enough. For this one also in the tablet preview also, margin top 30. Yeah, that's looking good now. So now I can come back to the desktop preview. I think in the desktop preview also, if you want, you can give some top margin 30. Okay, that's looking quite good. So after that I have to design this product slider. Okay, so click in the plus option, flex box, single row, single column, click in this plus option, search for the heading here, drag and drop the heading, and my heading will be shop women. So here I have to mention it and make it H4. Now click in the plus option and search for the slider. So here you can see this RT product slider, drag and drop it downside like that. So from here, suppose from the predefined layout, I'm choosing the slider to layout, and here I want to display total 6 column, and action button layout, I'm choosing this preset 2. You can choose anything. Okay, now scroll down, click on the query, and here in the product category, I am choosing women. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now come to the settings option. So product title, yes. So product price, yes. I don't want to display the wishlist button here, and I want to display this compare button here. Okay, it's coming perfectly, and I don't need this add to cart text. Okay, so click in this action button and disable this one. So add to cart text. Okay, now if I hover on the image, you can see only icon is displaying, and I need another change also. I don't need that much long product name. Okay, so here you can see the product title and make it so in one line and make it H4. Okay, and after that, click in the slider setting, navigation arrow I want, and I don't want to display this dot pagination, so disable that. Next, come back to the style option. In the layout design gap, make it 0, make everything center aligned. After that, scroll down, click in the product title, click in the typography and make it 16 pixel. Here also make it center aligned. Yeah, now it's looking quite good. Okay, and after that, in the button, unlock the padding first of all, and button padding, let me take around 10 pixels. So after that, in the product price, in the cell price typography, let's make it 16, and for the regular price typography, let's make it 18. Color for the sale price, let me take this pink color. So now let me check the tablet preview once. So in the tablet layout, come back to the layout first of all, make it 3. Yeah, now it's looking quite good. Now check the mobile preview also. Okay, the mobile, I think 1 is perfect. So now again come back to the desktop preview. So after that, I have to change this arrow color also. So in the style option, here you can see the slider button. First of all, arrow size, let's make it 12, and after that, here you can see the color. So color I am taking white color, and the background color I am taking this pink color. Okay, now it's looking quite good. Let me click in the publish option. So after that, I have to design this wedding session cell. I mean this session. Okay, I have to design. So again, come back here, click in the plus option, flex box, single row, single column. Click in this, come back to the advanced option, margin top I am taking 30, and margin bottom also I am taking around 30 pixel. And now come back to the layout, the gap, make it 0. Click in this plus option again. Here I need another container, drag and drop the container here like that. And for this one, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Now padding top I am taking around 100. Padding bottom also I am taking around 100. Come back to the style option. Click in this. So here I need a background image. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the select. Position, make it center. After that, display size, make it cover. So here actually I need another container. Click in the plus option, search for the container, drag and drop the container here like that. The width, let's make 60%. Now select the outer container, I mean this one. In the layout, alignment item, make it center. Now click in this plus option and search for the heading. Drag and drop the heading here. And my heading will be this one, this wedding session cell. So here I have to write that HTML tag, I'm taking H1. Come back to the style option and make it center aligned. Click in the typography. Typography font will be this one, Grade Vibe. Font size I'm taking around 70. I think 70 is big. I think 60 will be perfect. And here I need this color text. Okay, click in this. So I need this color text. So after that I need this title up to 50% off. So 50 will be in this pink color. So I have to write this 50% in a span tag, and the color will be this pink color. So click in the plus option again. Search for the heading here. So here you can see the heading. Just drag and drop it downside. So my content will be up to, and in the span tag, style equal to color, this pink color code, 50%, closing the span tag, and after that off. Okay, so now come back to the style option, make it center aligned, click in this, and font family I am taking this one, Noto Sarip Makassar. Font size I think 70 will be perfect. After that I need this text. Okay, so again click in the plus option, search for the heading, drag and drop the heading downside, and my heading will be this. I think H4 will be perfect. Come back to the style option and make it center aligned. After that, I need a button also. Click in this, search for button, just drag and drop the button downside, and the button text will be explore collection. I need an icon, search for the arrow. I need this arrow. Click in the insert. Position will be end. Now come back to the style option, center aligned. Text color will be black color. And in the background, so here the color will be fully transparent. After that, click in the typography. Size, I think 20 will be perfect. Now check the tablet preview. Okay, I forgot to do one thing actually. I forgot to remove the padding. I mean, click in the outer container. Here I forgot to remove the padding. Yeah, now it's looking good. Now click in this second container. I mean this one, okay. Now come back to the style option and here border. First of all, let me come back to the desktop preview. For the desktop preview, also make sure you remove the padding. Now click in the second container. Come back to the style option and here come back to the border. Border radius, make it 10 pixel, okay. Now click in the box shadow and here I need actually this color. Copy that color code from here. Now decrease the opacity and I think it's looking good. So after that, let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, as you can see, everything is looking quite good. You can do one thing, click in this. I think you can make it 70 here and I have to make it percent, okay, or maybe 75 also look good. Now let me check the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. So do one thing, click in this and here in the typography, let me decrease the size a little bit. For this one also, click in this. Let me decrease the size. For this one also, click in the typography and adjust the size. And for this button also, I have to click in the typography and decrease the size a little bit. Next, click in the publish option. Come back to the desktop preview. So after that, I need this slider, this shop man slider, okay. So you can do one thing, just right click here, copy the session, right click and click in the paste. Now from here, first of all, I have to change the title and that will be shop man. So here I have to mention shop man and click in the slider. Here in the query, remove the woman category and click in the plus option and search for the man. So here you can see the man category, select that. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. So next I have to design this coupon session, okay. So before creating this coupon session, let me teach you quickly how to create the coupon in WooCommerce. So for that, actually you have to come back to the dashboard. So hover on the WooCommerce. Here you can see the coupon option. Click on that. Click in the add new coupon. So the coupon code that will be in capital WST10. You can give anything, okay. If you want to add any description like get 10% discount on all order, something you can write. But it's optional, so I'm keeping it empty only, okay. Next, discount type. It is fixed rate discount or percentage discount or fixed product discount. Suppose that is a percentage discount and the percentage will be 10%. After that, allow free shipping. If you want the person who apply the coupon will get the free shipping, then you can check that. But I don't want that, okay. Next, coupon expiry date. Suppose you want this coupon code will be expired on 31st July. So I have to choose the date, okay. Next, usage restriction, minimum spend. So if the person spent more than 5,000 rupees, they will get this coupon code, okay. After that, maximum spend. If the person purchase more than 50,000 rupees product, then he or she will not get this coupon, okay. After that, individual use only. So if you check this, then if you have multiple coupon code available in your website, the person not able to use this coupon code with another coupon code. After that, exclude sale item. So the product which is already in the discounted rate, I mean in which product already sale is going on, for those product this coupon code will be not applicable if you enable this one. Okay, after that, if you want on some particular product this coupon code should be applicable, then you can add those products. You have to write the initial product name. Suppose you want this coupon code will be applicable for this product only, then you can mention it here. Okay, you can add multiple product. Similarly, exclude product. Exclude product means suppose you want on a particular product this coupon code will be not applicable, so you can add those exclude product here. After that, product category. Similarly, like products, suppose you want for a particular category item this coupon code will be applicable, then you can add that category name here. And exclude category, suppose you want in sari category this coupon code will be not applicable, then you can add it here. Okay, so after that, allowed emails. If you want to offer this coupon code to particular email ID, then you can mention that email ID here. After that, product brands. If you want to run this coupon code on a particular brands, then you can mention those brand names here. Okay, similarly, if you don't want to run this coupon code on a particular brand, then you can mention that brand name here. Okay, let me close them. So after that, use limit. Use limit per coupon. So only 100 times in your website this coupon will be applicable. If you have any condition like that, then you can specify the number here. After that, limit uses on X item. That's not important. So next, use limit per user. Suppose you want one user can use this coupon code only single time, then you can mention one here like that. Okay, so after that, you have to click on the publish option. So in this way you can create a coupon in WooCommerce. So now let me teach you how to create this coupon session. So come back here, click in the plus option, flex box, single row, single column. After that, come back to the gap and make it 0. Similarly, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, again click in the plus option, and here again search for another container, drag and drop the container here. So here come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. After the top padding I am taking 15 pixel, bottom padding also I am taking 15 pixel. Now come back to the style option, and here actually I need a gradient background and my first color will be this. So click on the color picker. So that is my first color. Click in this and apply that color code here. Similarly, my second color will be this one. Okay, so click in this, copy the color code from here, come back here, click in this, and here actually I have to mention that color code. Angle, let's make it 90 degree. So after that, come back to the layout, and here the direction make it row horizontal. Click in the plus option, again search for another container, drag and drop the container here. Container width, make it 33.3. Now right click, click in the duplicate, again right click and click in the duplicate. And for this container actually, here you can see the column gap, let's make it 10. Now select the first inner container, alignment, make it center aligned. Now click in the plus option here, search for the icon box. So here you can see the icon box, just drag and drop it here like that. So here actually, first of all delete the icon, I need to upload one SVG, click on that, enable. Now open the folder which link I give you in the video description, go to the image folder. Now in between that folder, in images and SVG, you will get a SVG folder. Select all the SVG and drag and drop it here like that. So once done, again click in the upload SVG option, and here in the search media, search for the cell. That is the SVG what I need. Click in the insert media, and the title will be extra 10% off, and here suppose I am writing on all sarees, You can write anything, okay? Next, come back to the style option. So in the style option, icon position, I have to make it start. After that, vertical alignment, I have to make it middle. Icon spacing, 15 is perfect. Content spacing, I am taking 0. After that, click in the icon. So icon size, I am taking 55 pixel. Icon rotate 0 degree. Now come back to the content. So for the content title, I am keeping as it is, okay? I am not going to change anything. In the size, just line height, I think around 22 or 24 will be perfect. After that, click in the typography for the description. Size, I am taking around 14 pixel. And the line height, I think 30 will be perfect. After that, click in this. Search for the button. So here you can see the button. Just drag and drop it here. So make it center aligned. And the button text will be this one. Use code WST10. Now come back to the style option. So here you can see the text color. Make it black color. Background type. Click in this. And after that, let me make it fully transparent. Border type. Let me make it dash. Border radius. I'm making it 1. Border width 1. If you want to increase the thickness, then you can make it 2 also. It's up to you. So after that, I need this button and limited type offer. Okay. So click in this plus option here. Search for the button again. Drag and drop the button here. Button text will be shop now, and here I have to give the link for the shop. It's a dummy website actually, and that is the reason in every place I am not inserting the proper link, but for your original project you must have to link up everything properly. So after, come back to the style option, make it center positioned, and after that, text color, that will be pure white color. Background type, click in this, and background color will be pure black color. Border radius, I think 50 will be perfect. Okay, I need that icon also. Okay, so click in this, search for the arrow. So I'm taking this one, click in the insert, position will be end. Okay, it's looking good. Drag and drop the text editor downside. So here I have to write limited time offer. Okay, after that, come back to the style option, make it center aligned. Click in the typography. First of all, decrease the line height, and size, I think 14 will be perfect. Now let me check the tablet preview. Everything is looking good. If you want maximum, you can decrease the heading size a little bit. I mean the heading font size. So let me click in the content, and here click in the typography. I think that's perfect. Okay. So after that, let me check the mobile preview also. So in the mobile preview, let me decrease the gap. This icon spacing is there, na? Just make it 0. Okay. I think now it's looking quite good. Click in the publish option, and here also I forgot to do one thing. Click in this outer container, come back to the style option. Here in the border radius, make it 10. Yeah, now it's looking good. So after that, again I need this slider session. It's quite easy. Right click, copy, here right click and paste, and here the title will be best selling. Now click in the typography, and here come back to the query, and from here just remove the category, because by default display product by best selling is selected. Okay, so no need to do anything. So after that, I need to design this brand slider session. Okay, so before that, I forgot to do one thing. Click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin, top 30 and bottom 30. So again click in the plus option, flex box, single row single column, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, again click in this plus option. So again search for the another container, just drag and drop it here. Even here also unlock the padding. So now I need a heading, so let me search for the heading here. So drag and drop the heading here like that, and my heading text will be this. Come back to the style option, make it center aligned. After that I need image carousel, clicking this plus option and search for the image carousel. So here you can see the image carousel, just drag and drop it downside. Now clicking this, and from the media library let me choose all the brand image one after one. So once done, click in the create a new gallery. After that click in the insert gallery, and from here slide to show, making it 6 for the desktop. For the tablet I think 3 will be perfect, and for the mobile I think 2 will be perfect. Now again come back to the desktop preview. So here come back to the additional option. Lazy load I don't required. Autoplay yes. Pause on hover yes. After that autoplay speed I think 4000 will be perfect. Animation speed 500 is perfect, and the direction I think by default left is there, and I'm keeping it left only. And here you can see in this image carousel option, navigation, make it none. After that let me select this container and come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Now here padding top I am taking around 20 pixel, padding right I am taking 10, padding bottom also I am taking 20, and padding left also I am taking 10 pixel. Next I have to come back to the style option, and here you can see the border. Enable this box shadow, and the border radius from all sides I am taking 10 pixel. Yeah, it's looking good. So after that I have to design this session. So come back here, click in the plus option, click in the flex box, single row, single column, click in this. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking 30, and margin bottom also I am taking 30 pixel. Next click in this, and here actually I need a grid. So for that again I have to search for the container, this container. Now from here make it grid. In a single row I need total 4 column, and row will be 1. Now click in this and search for the icon box. So here you can see the icon box, just drag and drop it here. Click in this, search for the truck icon, this one, and the title I'm writing free shipping, and here in description I'm writing order over 999. Next come back to the style option, make it start, vertical alignment make it middle. Now come back to the icon size I think 40 will be perfect. Now come back to the content, click in the typography, font size 18 will be perfect. After that line height I'm making it 0, letter spacing I think 0.8 will be perfect. Now click in the typography for the description. So here the font size I think it's perfect. Come back to the line height, make it around 10 pixel. I think 12 will be perfect. Let's make it 12. So now just right click, click in the duplicate, again duplicate it, and again duplicate it. Now click in the second one, edit option, click in this. So here I am choosing this icon, click in the insert option, and the title I am writing easy returns, and here in the description I am writing within 30 days. For the third icon box, search for the card, I am choosing this one, click in the insert, and the title will be secure payment, and the description will be 100% protected. Now for the fourth one, click in this, and here actually I need headphone icon. I am choosing this one, click in the insert, title I am writing 24/7 support, and in the description I am writing always for you. Okay. Now come back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, click in the grid, and in each column I want 2 row, and come back to the mobile preview. Okay, in the mobile preview it's looking quite perfect. Now let me click in the publish option, come back to the desktop preview. So the designing of the homepage is complete. So now let me click in this and click in the exit to dashboard option. So again I have to click in this, Now for adding a new page, I have to click in this one, add page option. Title, I'm writing about us. Template, I'm choosing theme option. Content, I'm choosing this one, full with content. I want to disable the header for this page, so I'm disabling it. After that, click in the publish option, and after published, I have to click in this option, edit with Elementor. My about us page should be look like that. So come back here, click in this flex box, single row 2 column, select the container, come back to the style option. So here I need a gradient background. Click in this one. So my first color code is this and my second color code is this one. Okay. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. After that, come back to the layout option, and here make sure the column and row gap should be 0. Okay. Now click in this. Here I need a heading. Drag and drop the heading here like that. My heading will be about us. Make it H4. Come back to the style option. Now from here, text color, I need this pink color. After that, I need this heading. So come back here, click in the plus option, search for the heading again, drag and drop the heading here, and my heading content will be this one. So here after U, let me use a break row, I mean the beard tag. After that, again click in this plus option and search for the text. So here you can see the text editor, drag and drop it here, and my text editor content will be this one. Okay. So let me mention it here. Come back to the style option, make it around 18 pixel, and the text color I want little bit grayish color. That's perfect. So after that, I need a button also. Click in this, search for the button, drag and drop the button downside, and button text will be shop now and the link will be shop page. Now come back to the style option. Okay, I forgot one thing. I have to add the icon also. Search for arrow, this one, click in the insert, come back to the style option. So here the text color will be pure white color and the background color will be this pink color. Click in this, search for image, drag and drop the image here, click in this, and from the media library, I am taking this image. Click in the select option. Next, what I have to do, come back to this container, and here you can see the align item, just make it center. Now come back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, do one thing, item direction, just make it reverse. Now click in this container and width, make it percentage, make it 100%. Similarly, select this container and width, make it percent and make it 100. Check the mobile preview also. So in the mobile preview, do one thing, click in this one, come back to the style option, click in the typography. Let me decrease the font size little bit. That's looking quite perfect. Similarly for this one also, click in this. Let's make it 16 pixel. Click in the publish option, come back to the desktop preview. So after that, I have to design this session. So here single row and 2 column. So click in the plus option, flex box, single row 2 column. Click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top will be 30 and margin bottom also will be 30. Now click in this. Okay, I forgot to do one thing. I have to unlock the padding also. Now click in this, search for the image, drag and drop the image here. Now click in this, and from the media library, I am choosing this about one image. Okay. Click in the select. Now come back to the style option, width, make it 70%. Alignment, make it start. Border radius from all side, I'm taking 10 pixel. Again click in this one, search for image, just drag and drop the image here like that. Click in this, and from the media library, I'm selecting this image. Click in the select option. Now come back to the style option. So here border radius from all side, I'm taking 10 pixel. And here border type, let me make it solid. Border width, from all side I'm taking 10 pixel, and border color I'm choosing pure white color. Next, click in the advanced option. So here you can see the position, I have to make it absolute. Now just decrease the size little bit like that. I think now it's looking good. Let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, let me increase the size little bit like that. And now let me check the mobile preview also. Yeah, it's looking good. Let me increase the size little bit. So now again come back to the desktop preview, click in the publish option. Now here actually you can see I need this pink color heading, and after that I need this black color heading, what I already create here. Okay, so right click, copy, paste, and here my heading content will be our story. Similarly, right click, copy, right click, paste, and here my content will be this one. Okay, so come back here, and here actually I have to rotate beard tag. Now let me increase the line height little bit. Come back to the style option, and line height I think 40 will be perfect. So after that I need this content. So click in the plus option, search for the text. So here you can see the text editor, just drag and drop it here downside, paste it, click in the style option. Do one thing, just right click, click in the copy, and here right click and click in the paste style. Okay, and another thing you can observe, there is little bit gap. Okay, but here the gap is very narrow, so we can easily fix that. Click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding left, let me take around 40 pixel. Now it's looking good. So after that I have to design this icon box. So come back here, search for the icon box, drag and drop the icon box downside like that, click in this, search for the lab, click in the insert, view, that will be stack, shape will be circle, my title will be this one, and my content will be this one, and here the title tag I am using is 3. Come back to the style option, icon position, make it start, vertical alignment I have to make it middle. After that icon spacing I am taking 26 pixel, click in the icon. So the primary color I am using this one, and for the secondary color I am taking this one. Okay, after that size 30 will be perfect. Now come back to the content, click in the typography, title size I am taking around 22, line height I am taking around 5. Now click in the typography for the description. So here adjust the line height little bit, I think that's looking quite perfect, or 15 also will be perfect. Next what I have to do, right click, click in the duplicate, again right click and click in the duplicate. Now select the second icon box, click in this, search for the star, I am taking this icon, click in the insert. So now I have to change the title and the description also. Now for the third one, click in this, search for the check. So I am selecting this icon, click in the insert, and in the title I am writing customer first, and in the description I am writing your satisfaction is everything for us. Now do one thing, click in this second icon box, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking around 15 pixel, and margin bottom also I am taking around 15 pixel. Now let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that. Do one thing, select this container and come back to the layout option, direction will be column vertical. Now select this first container and here make it % and make it 100%, and let me resize the image. After that click in this one and come back to the layout, make it % and make it 100. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking around 30, and here I don't need the padding, so unlock it. I think it's looking good in the tablet. Now let me check the mobile preview also. So in the mobile preview, let me do one thing, click in this one and let me decrease the font size little bit, and let me decrease the line height also little bit. That's good. Now click in the icon box, and here you can see the gap is very less. So here you can see the content spacing, increase it a little bit. I think 18 will be perfect. Now right click, click in the copy, right click, click in the paste style. Similarly for this one also right click and click in the space style. It's really looking good. If you want, you can make it center aligned also. So for that you have to click here, come back to the style option, make it center aligned. Similarly for this one also, make it center aligned. Even for this one also, make it center aligned. It's totally up to you. Okay. Next, come back to the desktop preview again. So after that, I have to design this icon boxes. So again, come back here, click in the plus option. I am taking flex box, single row, single column. And here, come back to the advanced option. Margin top I am taking around 50 and margin bottom also I am taking around 30. Click in this. Now search for a container, drag and drop the container here like that. Next, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, and in the layout, at the place of flex box, I am choosing grid. So the column will be 4 and row will be 1. After that, click in the plus option and again search for the container. Just drag and drop the container here. And for this container also, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Now click in the plus option here and search for the icon box. Drag and drop the icon box here. So I have to search for the smile icon. This one. Click in the insert. Title I am writing 50k plus. And the description I am writing happy customer. Next, come back to the style option. Icon spacing, make it 0. Content spacing, make it 0. After that, icon color will be this pink color. Icon size 60. Next, come back to the content. Click in the typography. So the size I am taking 30 pixel. Line height also I am taking 30 pixel. Now click in the typography for the description. So text size I am taking 20 pixel and line height I am taking 30 pixel. So now I have to choose this container. As you can see here in my demo website, there is a divider. Actually, this is not the divider. This is the border actually. So come back to the style option, click in the border. Border type I have to make it solid. Unlock the border width. And at the right hand side only, I need 1 pixel border. Border color. By default, I think it's black color. Let me do one thing. Let me publish and check it. The border is coming or not. Okay, border is coming properly. So now what I have to do? So I have to choose this container, right click, click in the duplicate, again right click in the duplicate, again right click and click in the duplicate. Now let me choose the second icon box. So here click in this. Search for the bag, this one, and title will be 1000 plus, and in the description I am writing trendy style. For the third one, search for the globe, this one, title 20 plus, and the description will be country served. For the fourth one, search for the star, title will be 4.8 out of 5, and the description will be customer's rating. Now select the container one. Come back to the layout option and the gap make it 0. For this one also, the gap makes 0. This one also 0. And for this one also, make it 0. Now, for the fourth one, I don't want the divider. I don't want the border here. So come back to the style option, border, and just make it 0 here. Let me publish and check the preview now. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. Now let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, as you can see, it's coming like that, but I don't want it to look like that. Click in the grid and here in the layout, make it 2. Now I don't want the border at the right hand side. I want the border for the first and second icon box will be in the down side. So let me click in this, come back to the style option, come back to the border. So here first of all I have to unlock it and here in the button I have to make it 1. Similarly for this one also, click in this, come back to the style option, come back to the border, unlock it and in the button I have to make it 1. For the third one, come back to the style option, border, from all side, let's make it 0. And for the fourth one also, from all side I have to make it 0. Now come back to the mobile preview. So for the mobile preview, for the third one also, come back to the style option, border, and in the button, I have to make it 1. Let me click in the publish option. So next I have to design this our value session. So I can come back here, come back to the desktop preview, click in the plus option, flex box, single row and single column, click in this one, gap, make it 0. Come back to the advanced option, padding should be 0 from all side. Now click in this plus option, search for the container again, drag and drop the container here. Here also come back to the advanced option, padding from all side, let's make it 0. Now come back to the style option. Here you can see there is a background color. So come back here, click in this, and I need this color as background color. After that come back to the border radius from all side I am taking 10 pixel. Now come back to the advanced option here. The top I am taking 50, right I am taking 10, bottom I am taking 50, and left I am taking 10. Now click in this, search for the heading, drag and drop the heading here, and my heading will be this one. Let me do one thing, make it H4, make it center aligned. Color I need this pink color. Click in the plus option, search for the heading again, drag and drop the heading downside, and the title will be hot dry bus, make it center aligned. After that again click in this plus option, search for container, drag and drop it downside like that. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Now come back to the layout option, make it grid. Here also I need total 4 column and single row. Click in this, again search for the container, drag and drop it here. Click in this, search for icon box, drag and drop the icon box here. Here actually I have to upload a SVG. As you can see here in my demo website, these are all the SVG, okay. Click in the upload SVG. I need this one. Click in the insert media. After that make it stacked. Shape will be circle, title will be quality, and in the description I'm writing this one, and here the HTML tag, make it H4. Now come back to the style option, icon spacing, I think 10 pixel will be perfect. Click in the icon. So the primary color I am choosing this color. After that size 40 will be perfect, I think. Now click in the typography for the content, click in this, I think 14 pixel will be perfect. Now click in this outer container, and here you can see the gap, make it 0. Come back to the advanced option, here you see the padding, make it 0 from all side, okay. After that click in the icon box, come back to the advanced option, padding all side I am taking 20 pixel, style, okay. I have to come to the advanced option. Here actually I have to search for the border radius from all side I am taking 10 pixel, box shadow, enable that. I think here also I have to give some padding. I think 10 pixel is not looking good. Let's make it 15 pixel from right and left, okay. So after that click in this container, right click, click in the duplicate, again right click, click in the duplicate, again right click and click in the duplicate. Now click in the second one, click in the upload SVG, I am taking this one. Click in the insert media, title will be style. If you want to change the description always you can do that, but it's a dummy website, so I am keeping the description as it is, okay. And here come back to the icon, primary color I am taking this one, okay. So now for the third one, click in this, I am choosing this lip color, and here the title I am writing this one. Come back to the style option, and as a primary color I am taking this one. And for the last one, click in the upload SVG, and here I am choosing this one. Click in the insert media. After that come back to the style option, click in the icon, and here as a primary color I am choosing this one. Now let me come back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, come back to the grid, and here just make it 2. And in the mobile preview, let me check the preview. Okay, everything is looking quite good. Let me click in the publish option. After that, let me come back to the desktop preview. So after that, actually I have to design this our team session. So for that, again come back here, click in the plus option, flex box, single row, single column. Click in this. Come back to the advanced option. Unlock the margin. Margin top I'm taking 30 and margin bottom also I'm taking 30 pixels. So after that, just copy, paste it here. Here also right click, copy and paste it here. So the first heading will be our team and the second heading will be people behind the screen. Click in the plus option, search for the team. So here you can see the RT team member. Just drag and drop it downside like that. And here I'm choosing 4 column gap. I think 15 will be perfect. Click in the settings, member name tag. I think H5 will be perfect. Image should be full size. Click in the team member. First of all, I have to upload the team member image from the media library. Suppose I am taking this one. Click in the select. Let me change the name. After that, you have to change the designation, member bio, everything you have to change. But here everything I am keeping as it is. Okay, now for the second one, let me upload the image. I am taking this one. Click in the select and here the name I am choosing this one. And here actually you have to enter all the social media link and everything. Okay, but it's a dummy website, so everything I am keeping as it is. But for your original project, you have to enter all the links. So after that, for the third team member, let me upload the image. Suppose I am taking this one, and for the fourth, suppose I am choosing this image. After that, come back to the style option. So here you can see the padding from all side, make it 0. Click in the image. So here you can see the spacing. From all side, I am taking 10. Now click in the title. Click in the typography. I think 20 will be perfect. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Okay. Let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, come back to the content and here make it 2. And for the mobile, let's make it 1. Okay, everything is looking quite perfect. Now let's come back to the desktop preview again. Click in the publish option. So now I have to design this newsletter session. So for that, again come back here. Click on the plus option, flex box, single row, single column. After that, gap from all side I have to make it 0 and come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Again I need another container. So here you can see the container, just drag and drop it here, and similarly here also I have to make it 0. Come back to the style option. So here as a background color I am taking this color. After that, again click in this plus option, search for container, drag and drop the container here like that. And the container width, let's make it 50. Right click, click in the duplicate. Now let me select this container. I have to change the orientation. So the direction will be row horizontal. Now click in this one, search for the icon box, drag and drop the icon box here. Click in this, search for the envelope, this one. Click in the insert, make it stacked. After that, my title will be stay in the loop and my description will be get the latest update on the new arrives, exclusive offer and style impression. Come back to the style option, make it start, make it middle, spacing I'm making it 12, content spacing 2 pixel. Click in the icon. So here the primary color will be this one and secondary color will be the pink color. After that, icon size I think 35 will be perfect. Next, come back to the content. So click in the typography for the title, 22 pixel, make it 500, and for the description typography 14 pixel and the line height 16 pixel. After that, click in the plus option, search for the mail chip, drag and drop the mail chip here. From here I am choosing WebIssue tips because I already integrate the API key, so it's already come here like that. Click in the general. I don't need the email label. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Directly come back to the style option. So here the border color I am choosing this pink color. After that, click in the button. In the button, As a background also I'm choosing this pink color. Let me check the tablet preview. Okay, it's coming like that. Do one thing, come back to the desktop preview. So I have to select this container, okay, mean the inner container, and here you can see the align item. I have to make it center. And now come back to the tablet. So in the tablet I think it's looking good. Let me do one thing, click in this, come back to the content, and here click in the typography for the description. Let's make it around 12, and after that let me click in the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview everything looking quite good. Let me click in the publish option. So the designing of the about us page is also complete. So now I have to design the contact us page. So for that, click in this, click in the exit to dashboard. After that again I have to click in this one. Before creating the contact us page, let me see how my contact us page should be look like. So as you can see, my contact us page should be look like this. Okay. So first of all I have to create the form. For creating the form, I have to install one plugin actually. So hover on the plugin and click in the install now. Search for the WP form. So that is the plugin. Click in the install now, and after installation done, I have to click in the activate. So this page will open. So now for creating form, click in the create your first form. Click in the let's go. The form name I am giving as my contact form, and from this templates I am choosing this one. Click in the use the template. Click in the first name field. Come back to the advanced size, make it large. Similarly for the email field, come back to the advanced, make it large, and in the placeholder I am writing enter your email ID. This field is required, so make sure you check this as required. After that I need the phone number field also. Click in the add field, and here you can see the number. Drag it here. So the label will be phone number. Come back to the advanced option, make it large. In the placeholder text I am mentioning enter your phone number, and this field also required. I need another text field, so click in this single line text. So here drag it like that, and that label will be subject. This field also required. Come back to the advanced and make it large, and in the placeholder I'm writing enter subject. Once done, click in the save option. So now let me close this one. So after that I have to create a new page. So hover on the page and click in the add page option. Page title I'm giving as contact us, and in the template I'm choosing theme. After that page container I'm choosing this one, full width and content. Let me click in the publish option. After publish I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So now click in the plus option, click in the flex box. I am taking single row and single column. Gap make it 0. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Click in the plus option, again search for the container. So just drag and drop the container here like that. Here also the gap from all side make it 0. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Again click in this, and now again search for the container. Drag and drop it here. So here come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Now in the layout make it grid. After that column make it 4 and row make it 1. Now click in the plus option, and here search for the icon box. So here is the icon box. Drag and drop it here. Click in this, and here let me search for the headphone icon, this one. Click in the insert, and here view will be stuck, shape will be circle, title will be customer support, and description will be this. Now the HTML title tag I am taking A6. Come back to the style option, icon spacing make it 0, content spacing 1. Click in the icon. So the icon primary color will be this one, and after that secondary color I am taking this pink color. Size I think 30 pixel will be enough. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Okay, I forgot to do one thing. I have to place this icon box inside a container. So let me click in this plus option. Now search for the container, drag and drop the container here like that. Now right click, click in the copy, right click and click in the paste. Delete this one, okay. So after that again click in the plus option, search for the heading, drag and drop the heading downside like that, and in heading the title will be my phone number, make it A6. Come back to the style option, make it center aligned, and the color will be this pink color. After that, I need one text box also. Search for the text. So here you can see the text editor. Drag and drop it here, and my text will be this one. Okay, now come back to the style option, make it center aligned. Come back to the typography. I have to decrease the line height, and another thing I have to do, click in this container. So here unlock it, and here you can see the row gap, make it 5. Now right click here in the container, click in the duplicate, again duplicate it, and another time I have to duplicate it. Now for the second one, search for the envelope icon, I mean this one. After that, my title will be email us, and description will be drop us an email anytime, and here I have to mention my email ID, and in the text I am writing we reply within 24 hours. For the third one, here search for the map, I need this icon, click in the insert, and here the title will be visit us, and the description will be come to say hello to our store. Now here at the place of this phone number, I have to mention my address, and here I don't need this text block. Okay, so delete it. For the last one, search for the WhatsApp icon, this one, click in the insert. Title will be WhatsApp us, and description will be say hi in WhatsApp, and here the phone number will be the same only. And now in the text box I am mentioning 24/7 we available. Here let me decrease the font size little bit, this looking little bit bigger. Come back to the typography, let's make it 16. For this one also, come back to the style typography, make it 16 pixel. For this one also, come back to the style typography, make it 16 pixel. And for this one also, come back to the style option in typography, make it 16 pixel. So next what I have to do, I have to select this container. Okay, now in the padding, top I am taking around 15 pixel, right padding I am taking around 10 pixel, bottom also I am taking 15 pixel, and the left padding I am taking around 10 pixel. After that, come back to the style option, and here you can see the border radius from all side I am taking 10 pixel. After that, enable the box shadow. Okay, now come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking around 50 pixel. So next let me click in the plus option, flex box, single row and 2 column, click in this. Come back to the advanced option, so margin top I am taking 30 pixel, and margin bottom also I am taking around 30 pixel. Now here actually search for the heading, drag and drop the heading here, and the heading will be send your message. Let me make it H4. After that, I need this text block also, so click in the plus option, search for the text, drag and drop the text editor downside, and my content will be this. Okay, come back to the style option, typography, decrease the line height. Now again click in the plus option, search for the WP form. So here you can see this WP form, just drag and drop it downside, and from here I have to choose the form what I just create, I mean my contact form. After that, come back to the style option, fill style, make it smaller. Now click in the label style, here also I have to make it small. Now click in the button, the background color I am choosing this pink color. Okay, everything is looking good. So after that, I have to design this session. Okay, so before that actually I have to apply the box shadow. So click in this one, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. So padding top I am taking 20, right 15, bottom 20, and left 15 pixel. Come back to the style option, border, apply the box shadow, border radius 10 pixel from all side. Now for this one also, click in this, come back to the advanced option, padding from all side, make it 0. Come back to the style option, click in this, and here actually I need a background image from the media library. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the select, position will be center, display size will be cover, and here also come to the border radius I am taking 10 pixel, click in this plus option, and here actually I need an image, so drag and drop the image here, click in this, and from the media library I am choosing this image. Click in the select. Come back to the style option. Border radius from all side I am taking 10 pixel. Now let me select this main container, okay, and here the column gap let me take around 20 pixel. So after that, here actually I need a heading. Search for the heading, drag and drop the heading downside like that. So I need this text, make it A6, come back to the style option and change the color to pink color. Let me do one thing. First of all, let me take a container here. So drag and drop the container here. So now place this heading inside to the container. So after that, I need another heading. Again, search for the heading, drag and drop the heading downside, and my heading will be this one, okay. Next, what we can do, click in this container, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 20. Padding right also I am taking around 30. And padding left also I am taking around 30. So after that, I need a text block also. So here you can see the text editor, just drag and drop it downside. And my content will be this one. So here I have to mention my content. Click in the style option. I think 18 pixel will be perfect. So after that, I need this checklist. So click in this, search for the list icon, drag and drop it downside. Now click in the first one. Here my text will be this, delete them, and after that make it duplicate 2 times. For the second one, my text will be this one, and for the third one, my text will be this one. Come back to the style option, space between, I think 10 pixel will be enough. Now click in the icon. Icon color I am taking this pink color. Icon size I think 20 will be the perfect. Gap 4 will be the perfect. Make it center aligned. Click in the text, click in the typography. I think 20 pixel will be the perfect. So it's looking good. Let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, I think it's looking good. Let me decrease the gap little bit. So click in this and unlock it. Gap here I am taking around 10 pixel, and come back to the mobile preview. So here also, as you can see, everything is looking good. So click in this and come back to the style. Here I have to increase the line height little bit. That's look good. Remaining everything looking good. No need to change anything. Just select this one. Come back to the advanced option. Padding top, I think, let me uncheck it first of all. And padding top, I think 15 will be good. Okay, I think I select wrong container. I have to select this container, okay. Unlock the margin. Margin top 15 pixel. Okay, now it's looking good. Now come back to this container and here the column gap, make it 0. Okay, as you can see, everything is looking quite perfect. Let me decrease the font size little bit. And another thing also I forget. Click in this and here let me take some bottom padding around 20. Yeah, that's looking good now. Let me click in the publish. Come back to the desktop preview. So after that, I need this Google map, okay. So let me open my Google map and here click in the plus option, flex box, single row, single column. Click in this, search for the HTML, drag and drop the HTML here like that. And suppose from here, that is my location, okay. Click in the share, embed map, copy HTML, come back here and paste the HTML code here. Now if you want to adjust the height, then from here you can easily do that. Suppose at the place of 450, I want 400 pixel height, and width always make it 100%, okay. Now come back to the advanced option and here you can see the border. So the border radius I'm taking 10 from all side and I'm applying the box shadow also. Yeah, that's looking quite nice. So now let me click in the publish option. So now let me teach you how to add the animation effect. Suppose I want to apply the animation effect for this entire session, okay. I mean for this container. So I have to choose the container, come back to the advanced option and here you can see the motion effect and here you can see the entrance animation. Suppose I'm choosing fade up left. So it will come like that. Suppose I want to add the animation for this session. So again I have to come back to the advanced option and here you can see the motion effect. Suppose I'm choosing fade in right and for this session I'm choosing fade in left, okay. So it will come like that. If you want to apply some delay, you can mention the time in millisecond. Suppose for the map also, I want to apply some animation effect. So come back to the advanced option, motion effect. Here suppose I am choosing this light and speed in this one. Okay. Now let me click in the publish option. So hope you understand how to apply the animation effect. So now I'm not going to apply the animation effect again for the home page, about us page, because it will take more time. So I already teach you the process and you can easily apply anywhere in Elementor. Whatever the pages and whatever the template you are creating by using Elementor page builder, even the custom product page template, custom shop page template, they are also by using the same process you can add the animation effect to the blocks. So now let me create the order tracking page. So for that, again click in this, click in the exit to WordPress. Again I have to click in this one. Now from here I have to click in the add page. Page title I'm giving as order tracking. Template I'm choosing theme template. Click in the publish option. After that click in the edit with Elementor. So now open a new tab in Google. Search for order tracking shortcode in WooCommerce. Okay, click in this. So here you can see the shortcode for all the pages. So WooCommerce order tracking will be the shortcode for the order tracking page. Okay, copy that, click in the plus option, flex box, and here come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I'm taking around 70 pixel and padding bottom also I'm taking around 70 pixel. Now click in this, search for the shortcode, drag and drop it, and here actually you have to mention the shortcode. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Now let me click in the publish option. Similarly, let me create the wishlist page. So click in this, click in the exit to dashboard. After that again I have to click in this. So now for creating a new page I have to click in the add page option. Page title I'm giving as my wishlist. Click in this. From here also you can enter the shortcode directly and my shortcode will be this one. Okay, click in the publish option. Let me view the page once. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Let me check the cart icon. Okay, so the cart menu is also working properly. Now let me open a product. Let me click in the buy now button because I want to check the checkout page is coming properly or not. Yes, that is also working properly. So I almost create all the pages. Now let me design the header. So for designing the header, actually first of all I have to create the menu. As you can see here, at present my logo, this search option, my account option, this cart option, everything is coming. Only the missing thing is the menu. So for creating the menu, I have to come back to the dashboard, hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menus. Now here actually I have to enter the menu name. I am giving the menu name as main menu, and here I am choosing this menu as primary menu. After that let me click in the create menu option. Now here click in this view all. So I need home, about us, after that contact us. Next I need this order tracking, shop. So now let me add them in the menu. So after that, as you can see, I need this man woman option also. So you can come back here. So I need the product category option. So for that I have to click in the screen option, and from here I have to enable this product category. Now you can see all the product category are displaying. So from here I need woman and man. Click in the add to menu. So first of all I need home, about us. After that I need woman. Next I need man. After that I need the shop page. The contact us page will be last. Suppose you need the wishlist page also. So for that again click in the pages, and here you can see the my wishlist. Click on that, click in the add to menu. Okay, this also coming properly. Now let me click in the save menu. Now let me refresh the page once. Okay, everything is coming properly. So now let me create a mobile menu also. So for create a new menu, click in this create a new menu option, and menu name I'm giving as mobile menu, and here I'm choosing this mobile menu. Click in the create menu option, and here I need home, about us, after that the shop page, wishlist page, and contact us page. Click in the add option. So after that let me rearrange them a little bit. Okay, it's perfect. Click in the save menu option. So I need mobile category menu also. Again let me click in the create a new menu. I am giving the menu name as mobile category, and here I am choosing this mobile category menu. Click in the create menu option. So here actually I want to add all the product category, select all, click in the add to menu, click in the save menu. So next let me set up the default home page. So for that hover on the settings and click in the reading option, click in this, and from here I'm choosing home as default home page. Click in the save changes. Now let me come back here, refresh the website. Okay, now everything is working properly. Let me check the mobile menu working or not. So for that, click in the inspect element. Let me switch back to the mobile preview. Okay, so actually that is the tablet preview. And here if I click in this menu option, here you can see the mobile menu is coming, but mobile category menu is not coming. Now let me switch back to the mobile preview. Even here also, as you can see, the mobile category menu is not coming. Only the mobile menu is coming. So for enable the mobile category menu, let me come back to the dashboard. Hover on the appearance and click in the customize option. So now from here actually I have to come back to the layout option. And here you can see the mobile menu option is there. In the downside, here you can see show category menu on the mobile. I have to enable that. And here it asking the primary menu tab name, that is menu, and the category menu tab name, that is category. Let me switch back to the mobile preview. Now if I click here you can see two menu is opening. So the primary menu is opening with the name of menu, as you can see here, and the category menu tab name is category. Okay, now you can see both menu is working properly. Let me click in the publish option, switch back to the desktop preview. Now let me discuss the basic setting available for the normal header. So here you can mention the menu breakpoint. After that, header menu already enabled. After that, enable the search option already enabled. This is the search option. Okay, next here you can see search only product. Yes, through this search icon you can search only the product. After that, account dashboard option. Yes, this one, so it's already enabled. Enable the login pop-up. Yes, I want that. After that, shopping cart icon already enabled, so it's coming. After that, hide cart count when 0, means when you doesn't add any product in the cart, then this icon will get disappeared. Okay, if you want this condition, then you can enable that. After that, show subtotal. So if you enable, then the total cart amount will be get displayed the side of the cart. As you can see, 999 showing, means total 990 rupees item I already added in the cart. Okay, similarly, hide cart subtotal when 0, means when you doesn't add anything, then the subtotal will not displayed. I think that option is working perfectly. So now let me come back to the design option. So from here, if you want to change the header background color or count color or count background color, you can always do that. Now let me click in the publish option. Now if you want to change the typography for this heading item, then you have to come back to the typography option, and here you can see the primary menu. So from here you can easily change the font size, line height, even the font family, everything you can do it from here. Okay, next, the logo size, if you want to change, or if you want to change the logo, then from the site identity you can do that. So now let me design the footer. As you can see, at present footer is not available. And another important thing I left out, page header. Come back to the layout. Here you can see the page header. Click on that. You have to enable the page header from here if you want. So in the page header, what you want to display, title, breadcrumb, both I already enabled. Let me come to the order tracking or my wishlist page so I can explain it better. So this order tracking is the page title. I mean this one, page title. If I disable that, then that's not showing. Okay, let me enable that. And the breadcrumb means this one, this home/order tracking. If you disable that, then only the page title will be get displayed. I want both of them, so I am enabling both of them. After that, from here you can easily change the background of the header, as you can see. Now if you come to the design session, so from here actually you can easily change the title color, breadcrumb color, etc. So now designing of the header is complete. Now let me design the footer. For designing the footer, here you can see the footer option is there. Footer display, enable that. So the copyright text you have to mention here. Copyright text mean this one, okay? That is the copyright text. And in the footer, as you can see here, total 5 column is there. So from here, widget column, I have to make it 5. Click in the publish option. Now from the design option, you can choose the footer background color, footer heading color, link color, text color, etc. If you want to change them, you can do it from here, okay? So now let me try to design the footer. So for that, actually, I have to come to the widget session. I mean this one. So here you can see the footer widget. Click on that. So first of all, I have to add a column. So here you can see the column option is there. Click on that. I want the 100% width. So click in this. Now inside this column, I have to add the element. Click in this. So first of all, I need an image. Add image. Open the media library. Suppose I'm taking this image. Click in the select. So after that, actually, I need this text. So I have to click in this column. And now I have to click in this plus option. And here you can see the paragraph. So I have to mention that here. So after that, again, I have to click in the column. Click in this plus option. Search for the social. So here you can see the social icon. Click on that. Click in the plus option. Now whatever the social media icon you need. Suppose I need Facebook. Click on the Facebook. After that, I have to click on the Facebook. And here I have to enter the Facebook page link. Similarly, if you want to add Instagram, click on the Instagram and click in this. And here actually you have to enter the link for the Instagram. Like that, you can add the social media icons, okay? So now let me add another column. So after that, I have to design this quick link option, customer service and information session. But you can see these are all the menus, okay? So I have to create 3 menus first of all. Then only I can design this footer. So let me do one thing. Click in the publish option. Now from here directly click in the menus, click in the create menu option. I am giving the menu name as footer 1, I mean F1. Click in the next. Let me add the item. So let me click in the pages and from here suppose I need my wish list, order tracking, contact us, about us. Randomly I am selecting some option, okay? This one I need. So after that you have to click in the publish option. So after that again I have to create one menu. Click in this. Click in the create new menu. I am giving the menu name as F2 and after that click in the next. Add item. Let me add some WooCommerce endpoint like order, download, address, payment method, account details like that. Let me click in the publish option. Let me create another menu. So again click in the create new menu and the menu name I am giving as F3. Click in the next. Add item. Now here suppose let me add some product category. After that let me click in the publish option. So next again I have to come back to the widget option, footer widget. So now I have to add menus in a new column. So again click in this and here directly search for the menu. So here you can see the navigation menu. The title suppose I am giving quick links and from here I am choosing F1. Click in this. Again search for the menu, navigation menu, and for this menu suppose my title will be customer care and here I am choosing F2 menu. Similarly for this one also search for the menu, click in the navigation menu and here my title will be information and here I am choosing F3, okay? So as you can see all 3 menu is working properly. So now at last I have to add this one. This we accept will be the heading and after that I need this image. So again come back here. Click in the plus option and here take a column. I am selecting this 100%. Click in this. Let me search for the A6, I mean this heading, and my heading will be we accept. After that click in this and here actually I need an image. Click on the image. Now click in the media library and from the media library suppose I am taking this image. Click in the select. Okay, so the design of the footer is complete. Let me click in the publish option. So as you can see my footer is coming perfectly, okay? So now let me design the pop-up form. So for that first of all let me come back to the dashboard. Now from here I have to hover on the Royal add-on and here you can see the pop-up builder. Click on that. Let me click in the create template option. Pop-up name I am giving as my pop-up. Click in the create template option, add condition. Yes, I want to display this pop-up for entire site. Click in the save condition. After that, this Elementor page builder interface will be get loaded. So here first of all click in this. So in the settings, open pop-up on page load. If you want to put some delay, you can mention that time in seconds, suppose 5 seconds, and after showing the pop-up second time, suppose after 5 minutes it should be get displayed again. Now layout. So here I'm choosing model pop-up. Width I'm taking 700 pixel. From here you can mention the animation effect. I'm mentioning fade in. Animation duration will be 1 second. If you want to disable the page scroll effect when the pop-up will appear, then you have to enable that. I think that's a good option. Now from here, show overlay, like when this pop-up will appear, as you can see, the remaining page is getting black. If you want this effect, then you have to enable the show overlay. If you disable that, as you can see, it's not looking good. So I think it's the best option, okay? And don't enable this one, this prevent closing on overlay on click. I don't want that. Close button, yes, it should get display here. And by using this vertical positioning and horizontal positioning, you can change the position of this cross icon. Here you can see some padding. I don't need that padding. From all sides, let's make it 0. If you want to change the overlay color, you can do that from here. Let me do one thing. Let me take this color as overlay color, okay? Or this color. Both is looking fine. Let me make it little bit darker. And from here, let me decrease the opacity. Yeah, that will look good, I think. And close button, if you want to change the color, always you can do that. Suppose I need pink color. So like that you can change. Size, if you want to increase, you can do it from here. I think 25 is perfect. So now let me start to design the pop-up. Click in the plus option, flex box, single and 2 column. Padding from all sides, that should be 0. Now click in the first container. Here also I don't need any gaps, so make it 0. Now click in this first container. Here I need the width 40%, and for this one it should be 60%, okay? Here let me add an image. Click in this, search for the image, just drag and drop the image here like that. Click in this, and from the media library I'm taking this image, okay? So as you can see, this image is not appearing in full size. There is some gap in all side, okay? Let me do one thing. Click in this container. Here you can see the padding. Let me make the padding 0 from all side. Okay, now it's looking good. Similarly for this one also, click in this, come back to the advanced option, padding from all side, make it 0. Now for this one actually, come back to the layout option. So here the align all the items should be in the center. Click in this, search for image, drag and drop the image here, and here actually I need the logo. Select. After that, come back to the style option. Let's make it 44. And another thing I forgot, click in this, make it everything center aligned. Yeah, that will look good. Next, click in this, search for the text editor, drag and drop it downside of the image. So my text will be this one. Now come back to the style option. Font family will be Great Vibe, this one. Font size I'm taking around 25 pixel. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Again click in the plus option, search for the heading, drag and drop the heading downside, and my heading will be 10% off. Now come back to the style option, make it center aligned. Size will be 60 pixel. After that I have to change the color also, and I need this color. And here in the font family I am taking Pathway Extreme, okay, this one. After that I need a text editor or text block, drag and drop it downside, and my content will be this one. So click in the style, typography. I think 20 pixel will be perfect for that. After that I need a icon box also. So drag and drop the icon box downside like that. Here the icon will be envelope icon, this one. After that my title will be this one, and I don't need any description. Next come back to the style option. So icon position, that will be start. Alignment should be middle. Click in the icon. Icon size I'm taking 42. After that click in the typography for the title. I think 12 pixel will be perfect. And after that come back to the advanced option. So here you can see the width, make it custom. Yeah, that's look good. Again come back to the style option. I think I have to decrease the font weight also, and even I have to decrease the line height also. Yeah, that's looking good. After that again click in this, search for the mail chip, that is the mail chip, drag and drop it here like that. From the audience list, I'm choosing web SEO tips, and here in the email label, I don't want the label. So next, come back to the style option, click in the field, border color, I'm choosing this pink color, and after that border radius, I think 1 will be perfect. Click in the button background color also, I am taking this pink color. Okay, it's done. Let me click in the publish option. Another thing I forgot, so that is the tablet preview and that is the mobile preview. In the mobile preview, actually I don't want to display the image. So what I have to do, select the image, come back to the advanced option, and here you can see the responsive option. Just click in this one, hide on mobile portrait. Now let me click in the publish option. So now let me click in this and come back to the WordPress dashboard. So designing of the pop-up already completed. So now let me design this sale notification. Okay, so for designing that sale notification, you have to click in this notification X. After that, you have to click in the add new. So the title I'm giving as sale notification, and here the notification type I'm choosing sale notification. Source will be WooCommerce. Click in the next, and from here you can choose the template. For me, this and this are the best option. Let me choose this one. Scroll down, click in the next option. Here everything looking good. Click in the next. You can click in the next, and at which position you want to display that you can mention here, and the notification size also you can mention here. Remaining everything looking good. So now let me click in the publish option. So in this way you can create the sale notification. So everything is almost completed. Now let me open my website in a new browser. So that is my website. As you can see, the pop-up is appearing properly. Let me close this pop-up. Now let me register myself as a customer. So for that I have to click in this login or register option. So as you can see, only login option is coming, register option is not displaying. So for that, what I have to do, open the dashboard, come back to the settings and click in the general. You have to enable this one, okay? And after that, you have to come back to the WooCommerce setting also. From here, you have to click in the account and privacy. I have to check all this option. This one not required. Scroll down, click in the save changes. So now let me open the website, refresh the page. Now if I click here, you can see login and register, both option is coming. So first of all, register myself. So after that, I have to click in the register option. So your account successfully created, and now I successfully registered. Okay, not now. So now let me open the shop page. Now from here, let me open a product. Suppose I'm opening this product. Now let me click in the buy now. So as you can see, I directly come back to the checkout page, and here you can see the delivery rate is free because the product rate is more than $9.99. And when I set up the WooCommerce, I set up the condition that which product rate is more than $9.99, you will get the free delivery. So as you can see, the free delivery is coming, and the total tax amount is this one, 504 rupees, and the total product rate is this. Okay, so next you have to enter all the required information like first name, last name, address. Now whatever the payment method you like, you can choose that. It's a dummy payment, so I am choosing cash on delivery. And after that, I have to click in the, okay, I forgot to add the PIN number. So after that, I have to click in this place order option. So after you place the order, you will get this page. So here you can see all your payment details. Okay, and after purchasing, immediately this sales notification is coming. Wait some time, it will come again. So here you can see the sale notification is coming. Okay, so now after placing the order, let me teach you how as an admin you can process the order. Because at present, if you come back to the dashboard and if you click on the order, here you can see the data showing processing. Okay, so now let me teach you how as an admin you can process the order. So for that, you have to come back to the dashboard, and after that you have to click in the order for the WooCommerce. I mean this one. So here you can see you already get a order and the data showing in processing. Click on that. Suppose you already get the payment and you already delivered the product successfully, and in this condition you can easily change the status to complete, and after that you can click in the update option. So once as a admin you complete the order, now again let me come back to the buyer window. So as you can see, data showing processing. Now let me refresh the page. So now you can see it's showing completed. So hope you understand how as a admin you can complete the order. Now let me teach you how admin can create the invoice and the packing slip. So for that, again hover on the WooCommerce and click in the order. After that, they have to open the order. Now scroll down. So here you can see invoice and packing slip option is displaying. So for creating the packing slip, admin have to click in the packing slip option. This kind of professional looking packing slip will be automatically generated. You have to just take the printout and paste on the packing. Similarly, by clicking in the invoice option, customer can generate a professional looking invoice like that. Even this invoice will be delivered to the customer automatically after purchasing the product. So now only one feature left out, that is abandoned cart recovery. So for that, hover on the shop builder and click in the settings, click on the module, and here you can see this abandoned cart recovery. Enable that, and after that you have to click in the settings option. So let me first of all set up the abandoned cart recovery. Then after I'll tell you what is abandoned cart recovery. So notify recovery email to admin. Yes, enable that. So whenever there is a cart recovery, the admin will be get notified, and admin have to add the email address here. So after that, from name. So when people get the email, they will get from this name. Admin have to give their name. Even here also they have to mention the email ID. Even reply to, I have to mention the same email address. So now let me click in the save option. After that, let me come to the email template. Now from here you can enable any kind of template. Suppose you are enabling this general card reminder. Click on that, and from there you have to enable that. So what is the abandoned cart recovery? Suppose a customer add a product in the cart, and after that they doesn't purchase the product. So they will get a personalized email. The subject of the email will be you left something in behind, and that will be the email body. So understand the email body. So hi, and after that the customer name. After that, we notified you left some product at your cart at so and so store name. So at the place of the store name, your store name will be get displayed. We have saved them for you, and your cart total is, so here the cart total amount will be get displayed, and complete the purchase. So when they click in the complete purchase, they will come back to the checkout page, and from there directly they can check out the product. Hope you understand the concept. Similarly, different kind of cart recovery option is available. Suppose a customer add a product in the cart, and after that they doesn't purchase the product. Now you as a seller want to provide some special discount for that customer. So you can enable this module, special discount offer. So here you can see, if I enable that, they will get this message that hi customer name, we really want to see you complete your order. As a special thank you for being a valuable customer, we are going to offer you some exclusive discount. And here this system automatically generate a coupon code, and they will get some discount by using that coupon code. So in this way, actually the order completion rate will be get increased. I am ending the video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt, always you can ask me in the comment section. If you have any kind of WordPress related project, then you can contact with me with this email ID or with this WhatsApp number. If you really like this video, then please like and share this video with your friends and family. And my humble request, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.